Are you ready to get ready?
Get ready. You just have to be ready. Brace yourself.
What you're about to see will open your eyes.
The surprises never stop.
So you better hang on.
So get ready.
So fasten your seatbelt.
So hold on tight. So hang on. So get ready to get ready.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Sorry about that, chat. Agata Wavelength seems to like to crash every fucking day. Certainly, I am not getting any sort of sponsorship from them because holy fucking shit. God damn. How it, I mean, when it comes to the fact of getting free software, this is the epitome of it. It's fucking wicked. They do a great job of it when it's fucking working. They've been pushing out a fucking update every week, if not more, that just fucks it more. Just like, I mean, I think it's still in a beta, but it's like, shit, motherfucker. Like, if you guys are gonna fucking get this thing full-fledged, you better make sure when you have it on launch that it don't, if it crashes once a day, cut it out your life. Cut it out your life, folks. Let's buy something better. Buy or build. Oh boy. Did I get paid my monies? Did not. All right, chat. Oh, you guys probably need to see what I'm doing. Yeah. Wait, why did that show up so quick? Normally it takes it a second. Shit, OBS started his game now. Shit. Shit, OBS at least working good. OBS is see that this is the thing. There's that argument people be like, oh, like, you know, getting a free product. Oh man, well that free product, you know, it ain't working for you, right? And like, I mean, technically, well, it's funny. Maybe it was OBS's problem, because like I could use other. Well, actually, no. I know it wasn't OBS's problem. It was definitely Wavelength. Because the example I like to give is, on Wavelength, I had, what's it called? On Wavelength, there's like these settings where you can see what your personal mix sounds like, and then you can, like, you know, listen in on whether your stream audio sounds like, and conversely, what like if you were just your Discord mix. So the way I have my Discord mix set up, then obviously it's my microphone, but then also has sound effects that I pump through it. You know, like these bad boys. You know, those beauties. Like, hold on. One of those. So I got those, right? Now, with that all being said, oh wait, dear. But yeah, so I knew it was Wavelength. Meanwhile, OBS, free, open source, fantastic by every regard. Ooh, I better leave these in here. What the heck? Why does Paul walk like that? Is this because I played as a different character? It's like, why was Paul walking not chubby? And what happened to all my emotes? Something's amiss, chap. It's still a good song. Well, either we quickly check and see it here. It sounds like there's a court case. I guess I better put my advertisement. Oh. Bring Sally up. Bring Sally down. Bring Sally up. Bring Sally down. Right. Interesting. Bring Sally down. Bring Sally up. Oh, right. This reminds me. All my Stream Deck Plus stuff is probably all messed up.
is
Yeah.
10:05 p.m. Eastern on Sunday, the 29th of March.
Yeah.
We are here today to hear Civil 58, Forrest Bell and Ember
Hmm.
versus the LSPD.
Oh, okay, that's it. Oh, I see what's going on. Yeah. Okay, good.
There is
Yeah. All right.
claim of a right violation. Are you please liable or not liable?
Not liable, Your Honor.
All right.
Glad I had to do a little check on my stats here by doing a fart sound effect.
Proceed, and
Let's see.
Bailey, if you have an opening statement you'd like to start us with.
Oh. Oh, shit, the OG Paul Hammerstein enters the room. All right.
Hi, Paul.
Good
Oh, hey.
morning, afternoon, good evening, Your Honor, Your Honors, Clister, Ember, Clowns, Paul, LSPD. This case isn't about what the state suspects. It's about what the state can justify, and more importantly, what it cannot.
Space
Because
here.
a
Space
system
here.
that claims to operate under the law, the powers to detain, is not a matter of convenience. It's a tool to be used.
Wait, is it? How's it going?
Clear. It's a threshold, one that must be met before
Oh,
liberty
I'm
is
doing pretty good.
taken.
Doing pretty good.
No.
You get paid yet?
The standard isn't complicated.
Yeah, I got paid.
Reasonable suspicion.
Oh,
And good
nice.
faith
Okay, good.
belief
Just making sure you got paid by them.
Attention is necessary.
Yeah, I
What
need
you'll
to
see in this
send it
matter
to
is
you,
neither
like,
existed.
right now. Actually,
You will
I
see
will
that
be
Clister
back.
and Ember turned
I need
themselves
to
in,
send it to you right now.
weren't apprehended, weren't evading, they weren't hidden, but
What is
present
your status? Oh,
available
yeah, you already
and
sent me a
cooperative.
text.
And
Oh,
despite
yeah.
that,
Yeah, so
their
whatever we got
liberties
time.
were
No
taken
worries.
away
No
from
worries.
them.
No rush. No rush. I just want to make sure
not
you
because the
got paid.
state had the evidence required,
Yeah, I'll
but
be right
because it
back. I'll be
intended
right
to go
back.
looking for it in a fishing expedition. You will see that at the time of the hold, there was no gun recovered from either individual, no links, no confirmed possession, only a weapon found on a third party and an assumption built outwards from there. You will see that what the state calls
right.
connection is in reality, proximity. That's what it calls evidence, is more often than not inference. And perhaps most notably, you'll see that after the state exercised every investigative tool available to it, subpoenas, interrogation, reviews, its own lead investigator concluded that the evidentiary standard to charge Ember was not met. Not yet, not almost, not met. Which raises a rather unavoidable question. If the evidence is insufficient now, after the investigation, on what basis was the detention even justified? Because the law doesn't just allow the state to detain first and decide whether it was warranted. It certainly does not allow detention to be used as a mean of compensating for gaps in evidence. You may hear references to behavior, to fleeing, to exchanges, to associations, yada, 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 but behavior without substantiation is not a substitute for a legal threshold. Suspicion is easy and justification is not. And that distinction matters because it is the only thing
Oh,
standing
right, I
between
gotta get
lawful
Rafi's
process
thing
and
done.
arbitrary detention in itself.
Good thing you walked in.
At the conclusion of this matter, Your Honor, we're going to ask the court to recognize what the state's own evidence already made clear. That this was not a case of where the legal standard was met and acted upon. It was a case of where the standard was bypassed. And only afterwards unsuccessfully attempted to be reconstructed. And that is not what investigative holds are for.
Defense, your opening, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Your Honor, people of the court. A lot of big words used there. Yep. I understand the point that, the plaintiff seeks to try and provide today. Today you're going to hear about how investigations work, something that clearly the plaintiff has no understanding of. That these are not static things, but that they are dynamic.
Guess we're going here, but it's Paul Hammerstein.
That law enforcement.
Paul Hammerstein. You did not sign up for my event yet.
Actually, yeah, that is there's an important reason for that. Because I couldn't help but notice while reading it later, at a later time there. Technically, us lawyers qualify as government employees. Is that going to be an issue
It's
for
fine.
that?
Totally fine. If it said government employee, I apologize. That was meant to be deleted. It was supposed to be just non-cops. And the reason for that is because last year, cops just made it a little bit too complicated for the game. So we're trying to ease the process on it a little bit and make it a little bit more fun. So no cops, but lawyers, judges, all the government employees other than that are welcome to participate. And then I'm also going to be having a game with government employees. So there will be another game with you guys in mind as well.
Oh, okay. So like even like EMS, like because that was the thing. Like
Yes.
I know like we're. I mean, obviously, as lawyers, I'm no life saving EMS or nothing, but I just want to make sure that I was
Yes, even in EMS are included, they can play. Yes.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. I'll get that filled out there right away here. I'm also
Sounds
trying to
good.
fill out a
Thank you very
thing
much,
here.
sir.
I guess when does this thing go on there? Because this year I'm gone for like a week here after today. Just so you know.
After today. Ooh.
Does it kick off during that time and like only during
Yeah,
that time?
it starts Monday. So how long will you be away? Just for the entirety of the week?
Yeah, pretty much for the week. Yeah, so I'll be back like the following Tuesday. So, or as they say across the pond, Tuesday.
Yeah. That might not work because that's like a whole entire week of that first week that you'll be gone. And like I would understand if you'll be around for like certain days. Like some people will be around for like half the week and then they'll be gone, but at least they'll be able to play during this first week. And this first week is kind of where I want you to be the most active.
Yeah, shoot. Yeah, I'm unfortunately I'm hard gone. Sorry. So yeah. So you know what? I'll wait for the second round there for the stuff there. Just so it's less of a headache for you. I don't want headaches for you. I want to make sure your cranium is pain free.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Well, I'm sorry, Paul, but yeah, next game I will definitely let you in on it, and you can participate then.
Oh heck yeah! All right, friggin' sweet.
All right.
Okay, great. Well, talk to you
Thank
soon
you
there.
very much. Of course. Thank you, the Hammer.
You betcha. Good luck. All right.
Quinn. Or would you prefer to call Ember for this?
Ember.
All right, Ember. Were you present during the incident on the 5th of March, 2026?
Yes.
All right, there's going to be some gaps as I ask, just as I make notes, all right? At some point after that incident, did you turn yourself into law enforcement?
Let's see.
Yes.
Were you asked to come in, or did you present yourself voluntarily?
Objection, compound.
Any rebuttal to the objection?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make this go expedited, to be honest. I can slow it down if you want. It's not that deep of a question. I'm just asking if she came in voluntarily or was she asked to come in?
With the objection at play, let's split it into the two.
All right. Ember, were you asked to come in?
I paid you, Mr. Lawyer.
Oh, sweet. Oh, awesome. Thanks, Ed.
And did you present
Appreciate
yourself
you.
voluntarily?
It's okay.
Yes.
When you arrived,
I'm
did
just
you cooperate with
prepare my
officers?
next docket post here. Oh boy, it's a doozy.
Yes.
Oh.
And did you attempt to avoid law enforcement at any stage?
No.
After you were questioned, were you placed on an investigative hold?
Yes.
Were you informed why you were being sent on an investigative hold?
I do not recall. No.
Just to clarify, so is that you don't recall or is that a no?
Where are these notes?
I do not recall.
Okay. Just for no, Angela, just let the record show she answered.
Oh,
I do
nice.
not
I see it.
recall
I see
there.
it came through there. Awesome.
At any point were you found in possession of the shotgun in question?
No.
Were you arrested with that firearm on your person?
No.
I need to look up Raffy's.
And did you have any confirmed knowledge that the firearm was linked to a prior incident involving a homicide?
No.
During the incident, did you interact at all with Miss Callista Bell?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Yeah, during the incident at question, so we're just rewinding here. During the incident in question, did you interact with Hey, I don't want to hear you guys. Sorry. During this incident, did you interact with Miss Callista Bell?
Yes.
I'm gonna go a little closer so you guys can whisper. Was there an exchange of items between the vehicles during the incident?
Yes.
Let's say on or soon
At the
following.
time of the incident, did you have any reason to believe you're involved in a serious criminal offense
04.
relating to the shotgun?
Actually, wait.
No.
03, 04.
And whilst in custody, did you cooperate with
6,
questioning?
Yes.
And Amber, at any point during putting yourself in, did you refuse to speak with officers?
4th, 2026.
Did you attempt to leave or
Roughly
avoid
the
the investigation once
owner.
you're in contact with law enforcement?
And operator
No.
of events by Raffy.
How long were you held as part of the investigative hold?
1 year.
And did you ultimately get charged in relation to the shotgun?
There was a warrant, but no.
And can you briefly describe how that period of
For-
the investigative hold affected you?
for money.
I didn't have access to my meds. Confused
Money
about
transferred.
being held how long and for what reason. No DOC to talk to.
Owner operator of events by Raffy. Custodial server.
Kind of affected me mentally.
Gained.
All right. I've got no
Gained
further questions for you, Amber.
knowledge.
Thank you for your time.
Happenings.
Defense any cross.
Organization.
Yes, sir. Howdy, Amber. How you doing?
Hi. Yes, I'm doing okay.
I think it sent it earlier. I just I got
On
busy
March 5th, during the incident,
business.
were you in possession of drugs?
Wherein one
Objection beyond the
Maria
scope.
Katz,
She talked about her medication, talked about
previously
how,
appointed.
generally speaking, that she was
CEO.
exchanging things. That's what the scope. What do you?
You also did discuss her
Formed.
possessions during your questioning. It's fair to ask about additional possessions.
Just a question: who's the primary on this for these guys? I don't want to be one. I don't want to be.
Moss assisting.
I don't want to be one. Well, I don't want to be
Company
1v3. That's all, Your Honor.
We do need to have each side have one primary spokesperson, so that we just have one making objections and motions,
Affirm.
etc. Just to make it easier for the stenographers as well.
From.
I'll pass on
With-
I'll pass on the objection anyway.
You're passing the scope objection now.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm passing on it. I'm good.
So Ember, you can answer that question then. Do you need it repeated?
Yes. Yes, please.
Ember,
I
on
gotta
March
figure
5th,
out-
were you in possession of any illegal drugs?
Yes.
What drug would that be?
A brick of cocaine.
Okay. Brick of- And what specifically was that brick of cocaine for?
The funny.
For you?
The funny.
The funny. So you don't ever take illegal drugs at any time?
Not that much.
Not that much? Okay. All right. So you had a brick of cocaine in your possession. Is that correct?
Okay, I think I'm doing pretty good here, chat.
For a short while.
Okay.
Very short while.
It's a co.
Okay. And you had made a statement to
These
or
funds
you had said something to Gray
included
before he came in for interrogation that night, right?
company
Objection
revenue.
beyond the scope. Now I never mentioned Gray.
Yeah, I'll withdraw. It's fine.
These funds included company revenue.
All right. When you came in for
Send me
interrogation,
the,
who were the officers that questioned you?
Proposal or communications in regards
I do not recall.
you received
You don't
from
recall
the
It was a while ago. And I haven't seen the interrogation tapes.
just
So you
beefing
can't recall the
up
officers that questioned you.
evidence we have
I have a bad memory.
the docket post. Which,
Okay.
by the way, I am going to be gone.
Can you remember
for the
anything that
next
you said from that interrogation?
or so.
Objection beyond the scope.
I feel like the scope's been open considering we're talking about the interrogation now. She can't remember the officer. I'm seeing if she remembers anything.
May you refer to the record real quick?
Let's see.
So there was mentions of the questioning in the direct for Ember, so I believe we do have at least some leeway to see if she remembers any of the questioning that was asked.
All right.
So Ember, you can answer that question. Would you like it repeated for you?
Yes, please.
What else do I have?
Ember, do you recall anything
for
from your
damages?
interrogation?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you recall from your interrogation?
You asked us the chain of custody of the shotgun.
Okay. So, I'm confused here. Ember, can you clarify for me? You don't recall the officers, but you recall myself asking you. Can you clarify that? You don't recall the officers, but you remember me. I'm very confused.
Oh, well, what do you mean?
You can't recall who questioned you, but you recall me asking you a question.
Oh, I didn't mean I meant the PD as a whole.
What's it about?
When I say you.
Right, Smiley.
Okay.
Because they did the warrant?
No, just the whole.
Oh yeah, I know there was 2 officers in the room. I think.
Going on hold and then not doing anything after.
Like you might have been one. I thought I was
like they
no,
like they
who
put
did
our
what
stuff
one
on
was.
hold, but then no charges were pressed
They
after.
put them up when he.
Okay. So you
Okay,
can't
good.
recall. Can you recall any of the statements you made to the officers that night?
Okay, thank you for clarifying. It just wasn't unsure.
Yeah, I'll get. It's all in the docket anyway. So.
Yeah, I remember me and
I need someone to tell me, or I need to watch it happen.
Me and
or
Belle,
my brain does not compute.
telling you the chain of custody
No,
of
thank you. Yeah, because that's why I read it, but I didn't understand what it was or what I meant.
The chain of custody of the shotgun. So, what do you mean when you say that?
Hi, drug lady.
Hello.
Listening to the court case.
Okay, he was
Support
the.
my philosophers, maybe.
Think he was the original person that had the shotgun or something. I don't know.
Because that's Bell lady and then that's
Okay.
the fire lady. So,
So-
I support everybody.
You don't use
Ooh,
the original
okay.
person that had the shotgun. That's you don't know what chain of custody is, but you're using that term.
I'm Mr. Hammerstein.
Objection, we're just going around.
No,
in a
wait,
circle
how's
here,
it going?
seems.
Amazing.
It seems like she's using terms that she doesn't even.
Well, that's good to hear.
understand
That's
the
good to
meaning
hear.
of, and I'm just confused
Isn't it-
because she's giving what feels
Aren't
like
you
very
proud?
contradictory
Isn't it
statements.
crazy? A year ago, you were defending me for the first time that I get pulled over and I had 6 joints on me, and now I'm an officer of the law.
Answer the question, provided some
Oh, you know, it
clarity.
just goes to show the system works. The system works.
It's good to see you, Mr. Hammerstein.
Move on, Your
You
Honor.
betcha, you too.
Yes, please. Thank you.
I'm ready, sir, with the glasses on. How are you doing?
Oh boy. Let's see.
To
Claims
clarify,
damages of $100,000 for
law
the
told you that they were going to be sending you on an investigative hold, correct?
I don't know if they said investigatory, but we were told that we were
company
being put on a hold.
from
Okay, right. And they had informed you that you were being put on hold for investigation, subpoenas,
prior.
stuff like that, right?
Objection, counsel's testifying there.
I can withdraw. It's fine. Okay. Did they give you a reason why you're being put on
Revenue.
hold, or just investigation?
Accrued.
Objection, we just asked and answered
But
already.
Primarily included
She said it was a hold.
A
not investigative
large
hold.
lump
I'm looking to see
sum
if they gave her any reasoning. I'm allowed to re-ask the
of
same question.
government grant
I
money.
would argue, Your Honor, that he already asked the question when to clarify law enforcement. He asked to clarify law enforcement said they were sending you on investigative hold. Is that correct? And he's now asking for the questions surrounding a question she's already answered.
Well, because she was saying what type of hold.
Grant
Whereas
money.
now I'm asking, did they give a reason for the hold? It is two separate questions, but I'll
Offer it to-
withdraw. I'll withdraw if the judge thinks it's not worth it.
I'll allow just to see if they gave any reasoning that she might remember. So you may answer the question number.
I don't recall of the reasoning.
Okay. That's all the questions I have at this time, Your Honor.
Government grant money.
Haley, any redirect?
Accused
Give me a sec.
had not been authorized to transfer, had not been instructed to, nor authorized, nor authorized to transfer from the company account to that of another business.
No further questions.
All right. This witness being marked for recall.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ember, you may step down. You're no longer under oath. Thank you so much. Haley, your next witness.
Yes, it will be. Oh, she's already stood up. This one, Bell.
All right. Belle, raise
All right,
your left hand,
situated.
please.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear and affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the
Disregard.
truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, under pains and penalties of perjury? So help you, Nikita.
All right, I'll see you.
I swear.
You
All
be
right.
safe.
Witness has been sworn in.
All right.
Not only
do you want
this-
to call Callista or Bell for this?
But
I'm down to be more informal.
what are your cats?
All right, Bell. Were you present during the events on the 5th of March, 2026?
I was. Oh, sorry. 2 seconds, I forgot.
That's all right. That's all right. I don't think they're going to object to that one. Following that incident, did you turn yourself in to law
Extended
enforcement?
There.
I did.
There.
And
Access.
were you requested to be there?
To company
I was given a call after the situation was
to
done, saying that we
future
needed to speak
company
about the
funds,
gun in question, and
without
I
any
put it on there.
possibility.
Relevant. I'm not quite sure what you're trying to ask with that question.
Sure. More
Terminating.
so, did you present yourself voluntarily to law enforcement?
By
I did.
Rafaeli, this.
When you did you cooperate with the officers?
Yep.
Bell, after speaking with the officers, were you placed on an investigative hold?
Rule of
We were, yes.
cats.
To clarify on we were, is that yourself and Ember?
Yes.
Termination and removal of cats from.
Were you told of
their
any specific
role,
reason of why you were being placed on the hold?
Tied to the business.
It was late at night, but I do recall, I don't know which officer, if it was either Oxby or Gray,
Coffee?
but I do recall one of them talking about subpoenaing our
Yes,
phone
basically
records.
this.
To which I volunteered, saying if it were easier, like I can just agree to it.
How?
But I think we were being placed on the investigative hold for subpoenaing of our phone records.
Do you have any
And at any point of this, were you found to be in possession of the shotguns referenced within this incident?
That you can think of between
I
you
don't know if there are statements in it, but I did hand the shotgun over to Ember at the grapeseed hangar.
Especially regarding.
Okay. Were you ever arrested with that firearm?
Terminate them.
I was not. Jojo was.
Business.
And to your knowledge, was that firearm ever recovered directly from you?
From me, no. I did not have the shotgun when I was arrested.
This stranglehold.
Okay. Give me a sec. Just catching where I am. During the incident, were you involved in a vehicle pursuit?
Yes.
And at the time, were you aware of any allegations that you were connected to a firearm linked to a prior murder?
Was I aware of the shotgun being linked? No.
Bell, after turning yourself in, did you cooperate with law enforcement?
Permeates a mist of.
Did you refuse to answer any of the questions or attempt to avoid the investigation?
Mist of control.
Nope.
Following your detention, were you charged in relation to the firearm?
A warrant was placed roughly
similar
I think, a week later for like the evading part of it, but not for the shotgun.
Keeping this bank account.
I was told apparently the warrant at the top said that I was to be bailed and released, that I had already served a year at Bolingbrook.
In their sights.
Okay. How long were you placed on the hold for?
For a year.
Not only this, but Cats has extended their.
And can you explain to the court today how that hold affected you?
Extended their access to future company funds without any possibility of terminating them.
I mean, with the hold, it brought a lot of
control that acts not
a lot of anger towards me. Like I felt like I was just being thrown in a cage while
their
we'd already
sights.
had all the evidence that I was aware of at the time that they needed.
Other Business owner.
I even contacted Oxby and asked him if it's just phone subpoenas. Like, why are we being locked away? At which point, we were still kept on the hold.
Continue running said business.
When you contacted Oxby about the phone subpoenas, what did he say?
That part I don't remember. I do remember asking if it's just digital evidence that they're looking for. Why is that something that we can't just be released on? And Oxby, I think Oxby mentioned that he was going to talk to the other investigator
For the malicious,
which I assume was either Hemsworth or Gray, to see about a potential early release from the investigative hold. But I do not remember if Oxby had contacted me in relation to that hold being like denied or the early dismissal being denied, or if I just got frustrated enough to go lay down on my cot and wait for the hold to run out.
All right. No further questions. Thank you, Belle.
I have a text of her telling me she doesn't want to work with the marshals anymore. And then she calls me.
Would you like to mark
Threw a
this
fit that the
witness
marshal's
for
having a
call?
bad day. Wouldn't show her badge.
Belle, thank
Yeah,
you
to
so
let
much for
her
your time.
get
You're no
off
longer
her
on
chest.
the road.
But she kept
Thank you.
Thanks,
didn't
Belle.
really agree.
Of course.
Bailey, any further witnesses?
Yes, we call. You mad, Ember? All right.
And this
I know
was
I'm smart.
about.
All
Terminator?
right. We call up. Correct me if I'm wrong, Lieutenant.
That's correct.
Lieutenant.
When did you
Oxby.
speak with Director Knight? Should I be calling him or another marshal as a witness?
All right, Lieutenant Oxby, if you could please raise your left hand.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, under pains and penalties of perjury, so help you, Jonathan?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, witness has been sworn in.
All right. All right. Lieutenant Oxby. Would you prefer to Connor, Oxby?
Police report.
Oxby, sir. I don't mind.
All right, let's go for Oxby. It flows off the tongue better, right? All right, Oxby. You were involved in the investigation concerning Miss Bell and Miss Quinn. Is that correct?
Correct.
You were involved in the decision to place them on investigative holds?
Correct.
And you are the primary investigator of the matter. Is that correct?
Correct.
You're aware that an investigative hold requires reasonable suspicion and good faith belief that the hold is necessary. Is that correct?
Correct.
Raffy Lee.
Miss Bell and Miss Quinn turned themselves in voluntarily. Is that correct?
Bisons.
What
What is Bisons?
Yes. Gray had to reach out to them to call them when we described that the shock was hot, but after we talked to them, yes, they did.
Okay, so just to clarify, they did turn themselves in voluntarily.
Eventually, yes.
Senior officer. Okay.
And they weren't apprehended or arrested in the field at this point, were they?
They were not.
They were placed on the investigative hold shortly after turning themselves in. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Just the lawyer I wanted to talk to.
Oh, hey there, DJ Leo. Sorry, I'm in a court case right now. There,
You
I'm
never need to apologize. You never need to apologize. Is it going
shucks.
down at the? Is it going down there like at the main courthouse in the side?
Yep, main courthouse, large courtroom there. Yep.
All right, quick question.
Sure.
Are you involved with this assassination thing going on?
I was going to be, but I'm gone all next week, so kind of a rough go.
No, that's okay though. I think it's gonna go longer than that. Hey, listen, I have a great idea that I want to run by you, so I'm gonna head to the courthouse and we're gonna chat it up if that's okay.
Okay, I guess I am working on a docket file right now too. So,
Oh,
but yeah,
that's
if you come on
fine.
down,
I'll hang. Yeah, I'll hang. All right. See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. See you soon.
The interrogation happened before the investigative hold.
Cool, fine. Yeah, I was just unsure timeline wise. At the time of the hold, the shotgun had not been recovered from either Bell or Quinn. Is that correct?
That is correct.
What else we got here, chap? Police report number.
And then the shotgun in question was actually found on a third party.
Objection leading. and
43945.
also Every single question
43
you've asked has been a statement
949.
with, is that correct? Can they actually ask a question?
I mean, they are questions. I'm asking if they're correct.
Yeah. Objection leading, objection cancels testifying.
All right. Would it be possible to ask the questions without the "is that correct" at the end, Bailey?
Sure.
And just have the question have the question sort of inherent in it.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Did you identify any specific risk that they would flee if they were released?
The actions.
I'm confused by your question.
By
Did
area
you-
cats.
Was there anything to say within your methodology of thinking of placing them on an
Here's my area
investigative hold
cats.
that there was a risk that they would flee from yourselves and law enforcement?
Yes, potentially.
Have impeded upon.
Where was that risk documented?
It's not something that is typically documented.
Raffy.
Anyone with any kind of record, that's not a reason why we put someone on
rights.
a hold. It's not for fleeing. It's to give
Business.
the officer time to investigate.
Owner.
So I'm very confused by
Citizen.
your question.
Okay, I've got the
must
answer I need there.
Be held liable.
I'm gonna go straight in and shoot.
by
Lieutenant,
the
what was
courts.
the specific justification for placing them on an investigative hold at the time?
To investigate. To gather facts and evidence to see if they were guilty of additional crimes or innocent of additional
That is
crimes.
such a cop-out answer.
Okay, what was there to investigate?
Let's see.
I was waiting on phone records.
Charges.
I don't
Embezzlement.
know.
Let's
what's
just
in
get
those phone
the
records.
good
There may
sure.
be a lot more. There may be nothing. There may be admissions of guilt. There may be additional things like cocaine. There could be a cocaine operation.
we can
I
view
don't
it.
know. That's why I investigate, is to seek the truth. As
You
any
guys can watch.
decent law
You guys can still
enforcement
watch and
officer
check this
ought
out.
to do.
Okay.
Okay. To your knowledge, can a criminal? I'm trying to think of how I word this correctly. Is it to your knowledge? Is there any way a criminal can? I'm just going to say it straight up. And sorry if you the profanity on it. Is there any way that a criminal can fuck with their phone records?
I don't know.
Jeez.
How long have you been a law enforcement officer, Oxley?
Over.
Have you ever come across when you've done a subpoena someone's phone records being messed with?
There's other things that aren't related where people have edited
Alright,
records of
that's
things, so I don't
having
know. I can't say in
been-
good faith that that's impossible. Don't know.
Trusted.
I've seen a lot
By
of crazy
Raffy
shit.
Lee as a member.
I don't think anything's impossible, so I don't know.
Did you have that specific worry
Of,
with Ember and Bell?
Organization.
So to clarify, they were placed on an investigative hold so they could be subpoenaed. Is that what I'm hearing?
And then investigated further pending what's in the phone. Yeah. Just waiting for a subpoena isn't like the end of the investigation. No, I have to investigate what's in the phone. You have to follow it down, you know? I have no idea what's in those phone records.
And did you have a good faith belief that that investigative hold was necessary to subpoena them?
Goodness.
Yes.
All right, give me a second. I'm just going to review through questions because I've moved a couple onwards. Give me a sec, Oxby.
Yep.
Let's see. Nope. It's going. Raffy, what the hell are you talking about? You will not be doing business with the marshals anymore?
Oxby, is there any reason why you didn't just release and
What?
place the charges on the docket?
I'm sorry, I'm confused.
And
okay.
I'm gonna slightly
But
testify here,
was
but just
there
allow me some leeway
ever
to
a
present this
text
question.
or
There's
conversation?
an option within law enforcement, as far as I understand, as the defense attorney, for there to be
had
release and then
with
just place
Arya
charges on the
to
docket at a
terminate
later
her?
date. How come that option wasn't
Or
available to
did
them?
Not
I mean, there's a lot of different ways
attempt
to go about things.
that
That's not something
based
that I personally prefer
on
to
the
do.
knowledge you
Now,
had
a lot of times, I think what you're talking about is for
regarding
like hag holds. This was not a
tablet
hag hold. This was an
access.
investigative hold. So I think that's maybe where you're talking about that, or I'm just still not understanding your question.
Why the investigative hold over different avenues of which you could have taken? That's what I'm asking.
This one made the most sense to me, and in my experience, this is the one that's easiest to use for all parties.
All right, give me a sec. I'm just going to finalize up, and then I hopefully should be able to pass over to your team.
I think he's in the small courtroom.
You're gonna have to pause.
Where the heck is he?
Actually, last question, just to wrap it all up, right? Could you have submitted the subpoena and read their records without them being on an investigative hold?
Not in good faith.
Could you have read their records and filed a subpoena without them being on an investigative hold? Yes or no question.
I could have always done something else. I could do a lot of different things. Could is quite an open-ended question. I don't know. Are you fishing for an answer? I'm not trying to be rude here. It's just could. I mean, I could do a lot of different things. I wasn't trying to be vindictive.
I've got no further questions.
I wasn't trying to be vindictive if that was your question, sir. It's just how I normally handle things.
Right, Sergeant Moss, any cross?
Yeah.
Revsy. No, I just had her
Oxy.
the CEO.
Emma
She left
Haas.
the company.
Hi. What crimes do we
Oh.
put people on investigative holds for?
And she told you
Usually more egregious ones.
she left person or via
Was there a particular crime that was being investigated?
There was a
just
triple
making
homicide that was
sure
being
I
investigated.
have the story straight.
And
If I don't,
how did you determine
then-
there was a triple homicide?
There were casings
attorney.
from the shotgun that was in possession from a statement that was given by Gray on the incident that's linked on this.
Okay.
It stated that Ember had passed that same shotgun around, the one that Joanna had. That came back to a triple homicide.
And
It's funny that they're doing this court case about some gun that Paul definitely maybe had the shotgun before this. Because maybe I gave it to Rafi, and Rafi might have gave it to them.
The plaintiffs admit to possession of that shotgun at any time.
Ain't it crazy the ripple? the
As best
ripple
I can
effect
recall, yes.
some of these things can
Again,
have, huh?
along with this statement that
Oh
Gray
boy.
made, as far as I can recall, I'd have to watch back the interrogation tape, but that they were having a typical clown hee hee ha ha passing around the shotgun.
Are you?
So is it common practice to place an investigative hold in relation to not one, but 3 murders?
Yes.
Oxby, are you familiar with the legislation for investigative holds?
Yes. Acutely familiar.
Okay.
Sorry,
Like-
I have zero
thought I
chance
said-
to actually object at all.
Oh,
I
sorry.
gave them plenty of opportunity with my clients.
Okay. Would the court entertain Oxby pulling up the legislation?
Absolutely. If we would like to start doing maybe a 2 to 3 second delay before answering, just to give them a chance to object if they have
Oh, I'm
one.
sorry.
That's on me, by the way. I apologize. I
Wait.
wasn't trying to be rude. I just getting the rhythm of things. You feel free if you.
Wait.
Just yell at me and I'll give you a second.
The legislation in question, or if
I was
if we
working
reach a
inside the
point where we
city.
need to refer to the report, that's also an evidence. We can refer to that as well.
Okay. Under due process and court procedures. Well, actually, I'll ask you, Oxby, where is it stated in legislation?
It's due process and court procedure,
Hey,
section
building.
15, investigative holds.
Can you read that for me?
Yeah. Section 1, or I'm sorry, point 1 is officers of the law are able to detain individuals for 24 hours during an investigative hold. Officers, point
What if
2,
the
officers may
courtroom
request judiciary
is
favor
big,
for an investigative
like
hold to
the
extend
one
up to 72 hours. Point 3, a judicial
Like
authority
before.
may either grant or deny this. Point 4,
Pretty much see.
to be able to conduct an investigative hold, the state must recognize reasonable suspicion on the individual and have a good faith belief that the hold is necessary. Point 5, investigative holds cannot exceed the maximum amount of 72 hours before charges must be formally known.
Did you have reasonable suspicion to place them on an investigative hold?
Absolutely.
What was that reasonable suspicion?
I had probable cause. They were under arrest from a different incident, but the gun being hot, I was going to work with them in good faith, as I try to do all things in good faith, for them turning themselves in and talking to us. But with the shotgun, that was evidence that helped to support, along with additional evidence from that incident that I was investigating, that put Ember Quinn on that scene as well. I had, again, more than RS, we were towards PC for this stuff. I didn't know that if we had enough to, in good faith, press these charges. Which is why I was trying to investigate further.
Just to confirm, you had a good faith belief to place them on the hold?
Yep, I try to do everything as people may see it or may not see it. I try to do all of my work with a good faith belief. I try to be very honest in the work I do.
And why would it be necessary to place them on a hold when conducting a phone subpoena?
I honestly have no idea what's in that phone subpoena. I have a lot of experience subpoenaing different things. You never really know what you're gonna get.
There you are, TJ Leo.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's nothing. There's nothing in the phone that points at anything. It's a lot of effort.
Yeah, this place can be a little bit of a maze there sometimes.
Much of a result. But every now and then, you end up
No
tripping over
joke.
something that is way more than what you expected. In my experience, you have to allow for the full 24-hour hold,
Sorry, Chad.
because if you do find something in that phone,
Gosh, you're so
potentially
quiet.
you may need to lock down vehicles, you may need to lock down properties. It's part of the investigation.
Oh
so you
yeah,
wanna
it's,
get those
it's a
things
real
brought
humdinger of a
back
case
quickly
there.
as
They
possible,
basically were getting
and then you're
held
working on your
for
search warrant as quickly as possible, if
something they
necessary.
shouldn't have been
Not
held
that
for.
was a foregone conclusion
I'm
with Bell
reading
or
it right.
Ember. I wanted to make that possible, so that I could get that all done within 24 hours was the idea.
When did you end up receiving the subpoenas?
Right now, I got something else I gotta
The
figure out
first
here.
two of the three that I had asked for.
Yeah,
in this
you're good.
case,
Thanks
it
for
took a week
thanks for
for me to
pinging me.
get them. The last one it took
Oh, you
12
betcha,
days
you
from
betcha.
the day it was submitted.
Could you just clarify how many days a
Saturday
week? Are we
cats
talking
that
about
day,
like a
she said
5-day
she
or a
was
7-day week?
That would be
First,
just
I
7
heard the
day week, so that
CEO,
was,
Joel, just
Okay. Did you
Work
extend the
is
hold?
purse haircut. Meeting.
Why did you not extend the hold?
Orders.
I didn't want to violate their rights. I'm trying to do things in good faith. You know, sometimes that's the way it goes. Sometimes you put in stuff, you don't get it back quickly. I understand.
Sit with
you do
us.
the best you can
Yeah,
with
sit here. Sit with us.
the hand you're dealt. That's what I was trying to do.
Business. His office.
Based on the subpoenas that you received, if you had received them within the 24 hours, what would have been the next steps?
Oh, hey, Raffy.
Objection, speculation. Didn't receive
I got some
subpoenas.
questions for you there in a minute there. Here, did you leave? Let's go outside here.
Yeah.
I don't want to disrupt the court case. I'll be back. I'll be back there,
I
Raffy.
mean, I believe that he should be able to answer
sorry.
that question based on his.
Or you can come out too, Raffy.
Okay.
His knowledge as a
Raffy
police
can hang.
officer, he would
Hey.
understand the
Yeah.
next steps.
All right.
Monday, Raffy, I don't know you until one. of us
Okay,
is
so
dead.
DJ Leo, what you got going for this assassin game there? What you got going?
He can't be part of this. He's part of it. I can't reveal my secrets in front of him.
Oh, okay.
Also, Leo, I just wanted to let you know before I go back in. My daughter Mai wants to write a song to get somebody back, relationship back going on in her life. So she's going to come up here after what she's doing now. She'll be here in like 30 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I'll hang. What's her name?
Her name is Mai Kozowski.
Yeah, Kozowski. Okay,
No,
all
just
right.
Mai.
Okay, all right, cool. Yeah, I'll be here.
It sounds good. I'll let her know.
Groovy. All right. Oh, okay there. All right. You want to take a seat? Or you want to stand? Which?
Sit.
Okay.
I'm not a farmer.
I feel that. Okay.
You know,
all right.
it's after five. So yeah, what's going on? How are you? Catch me up with anything going on with you. Let's do a little small talk first, okay? Can't rush
for
it.
sure. Absolutely. No, I'm just working on this document for Raffy. Oh boy, it's gonna be an interesting case for him.
Is he up after this?
No. I need to post it to the docket. It's an interesting case there where if I play my cards right on it, technically it would actually lead to criminal charges based on my case. So that will be.
Oh, Ian, give me
interesting.
more tea. That sounds good. Tell me what's going on. What you can.
Well, yeah, it's gonna be on the docket soon anyway. There, it's regard basically someone that he hired, got themselves into a position in the company that he couldn't terminate them from the company, and that person wiped his entire bank account clean.
Oh my gosh, really? That sucks.
Yep. So, one of those things though where he came to me and I'm gonna get him some justice.
Down the entire line of
I like that. Now, this is not like this isn't petty crime, right? So like this is like actually real shit.
Oh yeah, this is big. This is big. I mean, if I could be, hey, like the way I've just described this, if I'm successful, technically the police could charge this person for with embezzlement. That's prison time.
That's big. That's big. Yeah,
Ooh,
that's
yeah.
good. I like
But yeah,
spicy
so
pieces, Paul.
how about you
sorry.
there though? You been keeping good?
I have. I'm getting people to sign the contracts, passing that around. If you ever work with musicians in the city, Paul, make sure you send them my way.
Ooh, absolutely. Will do.
Okay, so listen. You're not involved in any way, right? You have no loyalties to any assassin yet, right?
Right, yeah, because for this, like, he sent me the invite there, and I was gonna do it, but I failed to do it there, and he called me today, and I was like, oh, actually, by the way, I'm gone next week. Like, when does this thing start? While I think it goes for a while, I think this next week is when it's
gonna be
like
important. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so
okay,
it's unfortunate, but you know that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes.
So listen, I don't know if I'm gonna win, but I'm gonna try to get as far as I can with my wit and intellect alone, like a fox, Paul.
Ooh, nice.
Now the question is, how cunning of a fox am I? I don't know. It depends on how many favors I can call in, and that's why I'm talking to you.
Ooh, okay.
Okay. Now listen. Say that you saw somebody walking down the street in the suit I'm wearing.
Oh, sorry, I gotta call. I'm not sure.
You're good. You're good.
I'm not sure if I missed a call or not. Did I miss your call, or did you call me by mistake? I'm not sure if they hung up or what, but anyway, yeah. So what you got going on?
Okay, so basically, if you saw somebody walking on the street in this suit, who would you think it was?
Be dressed like you?
Yeah.
Wearing the things that you primarily wear?
Yeah.
Including headphones around your head?
Yeah. No, not headphones. Just the suit. The suit alone, nothing else.
Ooh. Well, I don't know many people that rock that kind of outfit there.
So my
except
question
other
is-
than like maybe Eddie Murphy when he did that Eddie Murphy Delirious.
That's right, but it was red. It was red though.
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
right. That's right.
And well,
Red and
Raw he was purple. So you know this is like you gotta like if they did the purple and the red, they mix it together to make that darker, deeper color, and you got the brown there. So that's good.
I do like the Prince colors though. The purple was very nice.
It was.
So this is my plan, Paul. If you're down, I will give you when you come back to town a week from now. Okay? You have to swear loyalty to me, Paul. I swear if I die because I'm making you this promise right now, I'll be so upset. Okay? Are you ready?
Okay.
When you get back to town, I want you to reach out to me, and I'm gonna hand you one of my old suits to wear. And I want you to just wear that for a couple of weeks. What do you think, Paul?
Oh, I mean, yeah, I should be able to. Do you think I can pull it off?
Yes, absolutely. Now listen, there's going to be several DJ Leo decoys in the city, and you just basically have to wear it as long as you can, and I'll come to you whenever you can stop wearing it once you put it on. But yeah, I want literally a Smurf attack to happen on so many DJ Leo suits. It will be very hard to identify me. Everything else you can keep the same, Paul. Keep that Bluetooth in, keep those glasses. Even keep a green tie, white shirt. Just the suit and pants, baby.
Ooh, okay, all right.
What do you think about that?
Well, I think I mean for something like that, yeah, sure. You know, if I can't, you know, compete therein, and if you're still in it, then hey, you know, let's make things spicy, huh?
Yeah,
Even
what do you
though I
think my
don't do good with
chances are,
spicy
Paul?
food.
You gamble? You gambling, man?
Oh heck yeah! Oh geez, you kidding me? Back alley bets? Oh geez, I was there the first day of the open, I think.
So another thing, what do you play? What's your game over there?
Oh geez, I try a little bit of everything there. But man, craps. Oh, craps is amazing. But roulette's been good. Blackjack's pretty good.
Craps must be new. They didn't have craps last time I was there.
Oh geez, unless they didn't do it. Well, I know someone else did craps too. I don't know. Although craps is hard to do, someone's got. Oh, but craps is so much fun though. Oh, there's a reason why, you know, it's when you think of like a casino, There's a reason why you
What's the
think of
game?
like the dice
Throwing
game.
dice.
Craps
Yeah,
is just
bones,
it's
just
iconic for a
throwing
reason because
bones.
it's so damn fun.
Now listen, I'm a come line better, okay? And then I'll sometimes take a hard 6 and a hard 8. Only if that's the point.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
That is a good way to go, especially. Yeah. Well, actually, you know what? When the 10's on, when that 10's on.
Oh, the hard 10 or
fives,
the hard 4, yeah.
Oh yeah, gotta do that because it's like, what are the chances they're gonna get
payout.
something else,
Big
right?
payout.
Oh,
Big
it's so
payout.
good.
So listen, what I was gonna say is, where you just gonna go on vacation? You gonna fly out to Vice City? What are you doing?
Probably fly to Chicago for a bit. Kind of do a bit of soul searching, I think, probably. Just check
That's
some
good.
stuff out there. My son,
You
he
gotta
had
get out
some
of the
brain
courthouse.
damage, and I'm not sure if he's gonna remember much. So I might go there, see if I can bring back some pieces of Chicago to maybe jumpstart his memory a bit.
I like that. Maybe a deep dish pizza.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll
There
see
you
if I
go.
can. I'll see if I can put that in my carry-on. I'll see if they'll allow that.
Yeah, or you can free ship it to yourself.
Ooh, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea.
Yeah. Cool. Anything else? You want to go back in the courtroom? I don't want to take up too much of your time.
Oh yeah. Well, I gotta talk to Raffy too, so I'll.
There you go.
Yeah, I want to see how this case goes out there. You know. What, are they in deliberation, or are they just working on closings?
Closing.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, they're getting ready for closing, Paul.
Oh heck yeah. Okay. All right.
How's your day?
Oh, busy. I'm getting ready to go on a little trip there. I gotta go back to Chicago for a bit.
Oh,
Week.
you want to eat some deep dish and some Garrett's popcorn?
Yeah, maybe some of that. Also, my son had some brain damage, and I'm gonna try to get some stuff to see if I can jumpstart his memory a bit.
I'm so sorry to hear that about Junior.
Yeah. He remembers a lot of things except for me, so I'm not sure if maybe that's. I'm not sure if that's like some other deep-rooted stuff there, but I don't know. I'll see if I can grab some stuff from there, and then maybe see if we could meet up and I don't know.
Yeah.
Try to get some stuff going for him. It's rough though. At least he's up and walking. That's a good thing.
That's really good. Yeah, that's good. I'm sorry to hear that about Junior, though. He's a good kid.
Yeah. Well, how are you doing though? I guess let's not put a damper on things there. How you been doing?
I've been better.
Oh geez. Oh man. Oh, we all got bad news going on. Oh gosh.
I had a
Oh
family
geez.
member die recently, and then my boyfriend dumped me.
Oh my gosh. And to cap it all off, spring is losing the battle against winter right now. We just can't win.
Yeah. Thanks, Raffy.
Oh. Jeez. Well, you know what?
So
The
yeah,
bad stuff
we're
always
not
comes in
together
threes, so I
anymore.
think between the two of us, that's 3, right? So now it's all the good stuff from here on.
It's got to be all the good stuff. I can't deal with any more bad stuff. So just so you don't ask, Hugh and I aren't together anymore. So you don't, ask him about me or anything.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. Oh, yeah, speaking of which, Raffy, you want to step into my office here?
Oh, okay.
I bet you outside. Okay, now, correct me if I'm wrong, but in your statement you made to Bison, did you ever say that they had guns on you?
I think I told him that, but I don't think he took it down.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, because I don't see the brandishing part, but you know what? You got the gang member stuff down here, so you know what? I can still twist that. Don't you worry.
Yeah, I told him that she bought the gang member and she brandished a gun at the end.
Oh, yeah, because, geez, when I was reading your text, I was just like, when you said, yeah, they brandished a gun while we were talking, while we were at the Sparks' Zeke court case, like, I was thrown aback there, because I did not remember that part of the conversation. I just want to make sure I got it all down here. So, I get this is what I got so far here. basically just saying like on or soon following. Oh wait. Oh yeah, no, it is March. Oh yeah. On or soon following March 4th, Rafi Lee, owner and operator of Events by Rafi, had obtained knowledge of happenings within his organization that has caused harm to his business, wherein Arya Katz, previously appointed CEO, had performed the unauthorized transfer of company funds from Events by Rafi to another organization, Blooming's Events & Co. These funds included company revenue accrued from prior events, but primarily included a large lump sum of government grant money for which the accused had not been instructed nor authorized to transfer from the company account to that of another business account. Then not only this, but Arya Katz has extended their access, or had extended their access to future company funds without any possibility of terminating them by the owner and operator, Rafi Lee. This stranglehold by Arya Katz permeates a mist of control that acts not dissimilar to a hostage taker keeping this bank account in their sights, and any other business owner from being able to adequately continue running said business. The actions by Arya Katz have been, having been entrusted by Rafi Lee as a member of the organization. I need to finish that part, but essentially, yeah, just essentially go to all the embezzlement stuff, and then for the what you're seeking, 1.5652 million for compensatory damages for the unauthorized transfer, termination. Oh, sorry, what was that?
And a fresh start, so I don't have to pay for a new business license, like a new license with the same company, but like maybe like a fresh employee list or something. I don't know if we can add that from the city. Maybe.
Are you saying you did get that, or you are wanting me to include that?
I wanted to include that. Maybe that could be from the city or something, because I don't want to have to pay for another license if it's the same business.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. No, it would not be. Yeah, it would be the city that would pay it. It would be Arya. Arya would definitely pay it.
Okay.
So I will. Well, I guess so. That'll be I guess so. So I had the compensatory damages there. I've got termination removal of Arya Katz from their role tied to the business account Events by Rafi. But I'll say
allowing us to get like a fresh start.
or special damages of $50,000 to allow for a new business license to be purchased.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Establish business license. Okay, so that's number 2, and then number 3, I have as punitive damages of $250,000 for the stranglehold Arya Katz kept on Events by Rafi with their actions. So that's you getting a little bit extra back there, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like because the problem is that unless you have some other grants or some other things that you have had to hold off on getting, things like that,
couldn't do anything because I have like 3 different events that I'm already planning, and now I can't really request it because she's still there, and then also most of her group is in the mayor board too, so I don't know. It's kind of tricky.
Yeah, because I guess that would be the other thing. Is there a way that you can export your business account as a spreadsheet? Because I could potentially, well, I mean, it'd be hard for me because I don't really like to do math.
Yeah.
But I could maybe see if someone could do some math in regards to determining like what value or what dollar amount you could be getting. I threw down 250 because this is a serious thing there, although I feel like you could be getting more.
That was very British.
Yeah, as long as it helps pay for the business license, doesn't have to come out from my pocket. And then I pretty much just want it to be headache free after this.
Yeah, because essentially, I don't want to be giving them a slap on the wrist. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna think on the punitive damages thing there, but basically, I've got the evidence you provided there. Oh, I'm getting a call right now. Hit you just a second.
Yeah, probably.
Joe, I guess you were calling here with this Paul Hammerstein.
Hey, Paul, it's Sam. I need to file a contest for a warrant request, or sorry, FOIA request. They're claiming my warrant is an active investigation, but it's not because they filed a warrant, so they're not further investigating. So, and they're refusing to give me what my time, fine, and charges are.
Ooh. So they're not giving you the time, fine, and charges?
Yeah, it's Bison.
Bison knows better than that. I've gotten that from plenty of times in the past there. That doesn't make
They're claiming it's an active investigation. Once a warrant is issued, that implies that the investigation has been completed. So.
Wait. So wait, you're saying that
I requested the time, fine, and my charges for a warrant. They said no to come down to MRPD and they can discuss it. I said that's not how that works. It's you're required by law to give me the time, fine, and charge it. And they said no, it's considered an active investigation. We're not giving that to you. So they've given me an official denial for my information on my warrant for an incident report concerning a FOIA request, claiming it's an active investigation for an active warrant on my person. I have 311s confirming it.
And so you're wanting to contest? Sorry, contest, or you want to civilly sue them? Or
both.
Okay.
I mean, like, I think we should go through the FOIA. I think we should go through the FOIA contest and state that they know better. And pull them there. We need to pull in Aphrodite Theos and Aaron Bison because they're the ones claiming it. And then I took a picture of the FOIA denial, claiming it's an active investigation. So they denied it 3 times or twice. Yeah, 3 times. Once over the phone from Aphrodite Theos and and twice over 3-1 by Bison.
Wait, which Peters is this? Sorry, that also denied it.
Aphrodite Theos, Tango Hotel.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm getting old. Clearly, I can't hear words right. Okay.
Yeah. So I can send you those pictures if you'd like. Because I got a picture of my profile that says active warrant, and then I got a pic which I guess you could take. But I also got a picture of the 311 denial, they're claiming under active investigation. So
yeah, okay, all right. Well, I was just meeting with someone right here, but they run back inside the courtroom right now to check something. Okay, all right. This might be tough for me because I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna be gone for like a week after this. And I'm already kind of putting other.
Okay.
I'll see if I got another. Hold on. I'm gonna call Bison and raise a friggin' storm here. For like he's on duty right now. Did he talk to you recently?
He literally just responded to me. Yep.
Okay, I'm giving him a call right now.
All right. Thanks.
All right. If I can't get him to light fire, then I will get something drafted here and like maybe see if I got another attorney that. Oh, geez, I gotta start hiring for people. I'm a managing partner, but how am I managing a partnership if I don't have another partner? I gotta get more partners.
I'm so tired that I can't file my own shit. Just like let me handle my own shit and move on. Like I am an entire. I am maybe unaffiliated, Paul, but I, as myself, am an entire fucking gang for representation. Like, because PD pull. I had a Trubrick with barely any parts in it. It's like stage 1 parts. I had 2 buffaloes and the CVPI on me.
Oh my gosh. You had 4 cars on you?
2 buffaloes and a CVPI while I was driving my Trubrick.
Oh, okay. Sorry, again, math isn't my strong point either.
You're fine. Don't worry about it. All right, well, just let me know.
Yeah, I'll get back to you. I'm gonna call you right back as soon as I talk to this place, fella.
Yeah, because they can't claim under active investigation when there's an active warrant. Like they can't.
Yeah, no.
It's Article 2, Section C, subsection 2. which I said subsection 3, but I meant subsection 2. They can claim active investigation, but once the warrant has been issued, it's no longer under investigation. So unless they're doing some long-term investigation into which they have to redact that information, they should be redacting the information anyway. So.
Yep. Nope. 100%. 100%. Okay, I'm gonna call him right now here and get this all sorted out.
All right. Thank.
You betcha. You betcha. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Turn themselves in. They were available. They cooperated, as heard in both of their testimonies. I asked to understand, was there any flight risk identified? None.
Hello.
Officer Bison, how are you doing today?
What's up, Paul?
Oh boy, I mean, I wish I was calling with some better tidings there, but oh, my phones are blowing up and I'm not sure what to do about it. Oh, you're here. Oh.
What's up?
Well, I received a call from someone there who was looking to FOIA their time charge and fine, and you guys were refusing to give that to him?
Yeah, she wants to FOIA an active warrant. That's not happening.
You can read a bunch of phone records without other
And then she quoted Article 2, Section 3. I looked through every legislation, and that's nowhere. I don't know what she's quoting.
Let me see if I know it.
I genuinely don't know what she's quoting.
You might just have the wrong thing there, because it is... Yeah, so Freedom of Information Act, Article 2, Section C. I guess Section C, subsection 2. It's, standard review period is 24 hours for FOIA review protocol.
You're looking at the FOIA... Okay, wait. What report is this so I can look at it with you?
The report, you want their number, or, hold on. What is the report number? 9153 is the report number, but yeah, Freedom of Information Act.
Okay, I got it. Okay, where are we looking here? So she said Article 2, what?
Yeah, and then C, and then subsection 2. So just so it's not, I've had officers confused by this before in the past. I think it was Peters that was actually saying, but he corrected himself. So basically, this is saying that all these 5 things cannot be FOIA'd, but you'll see that next to subsection 2 for incident reports containing an active warrant, there's a bracket there saying the charges, time, and fine are not exempt. Like, all these things are exempt.
Oh, okay, so she's not FOIAing the report. She just wants that. Okay, she needs to specify that then.
Yep. Yeah. No, sorry. Yeah. Oh, see, I knew it was just a matter of the cords not getting tied right and the wires being stripped and concreted. I never worked construction. I don't know if you can tell.
Hang on, I'm talking to Crane and I'm getting conflicting stuff. Hang on.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'll start with highlighting evidence. Grab it real quick. Ember stated in a statement given to be gray in the report that the shock.
Hang on, I'm trying to figure something out because even I'm confused by this.
Yeah, no, the way it's written, I agree. Because basically it's saying that, like, you know, I guess the way I understand it is, like, in Section C, it's like, if something's an active investigation, I can't FOIA that report. If it's an incident report, but there's an active warrant on it, I can't FOIA that report. If there's trade secrets and confidential business information, I cannot FOIA that. If it's an internal government communications item, I cannot FOIA that. And then a warrant or subpoena.
Okay, so this is what Crane told me, verbatim. Tell her to submit it in writing or person. If she wants to get technical about it, tell her to refer to Article 1. So I guess that's my answer.
Ooh, okay.
So for your information, if she tries to request anything, the only thing anybody is allowed to give her is the charges, time, and fine. Nothing else.
Right, yeah. I think that's all she's asking for right now. If she's trying to ask for something else, then you are right.
I'm saying, like, if she tries to, like, argue with whoever she's talking to about it, just cut her off and be like, no, that's not happening. Like, I'm shutting it down now.
Yeah, no, exactly, yeah. Yeah, like essentially, especially, like, you don't even have to, like, especially want to make sure, like, you guys aren't giving out no, even, like, the name of the report, because that obviously might have some pertinent information in it. Like, you don't have to give that. It's just the charge, time, and fine, and I think that's all she said she wanted, so.
Yep. So she needs to go find somebody at Mission Row, and she needs to put in a formal request, and then she will wait the 24 hours to figure out if it's to be released or not. Actually, it says standard review, so I guess it didn't have to wait that long.
Yeah, say if it's 24 hours.
And it's already like an active warrant, so I doubt like the charges will change. So,
Yeah.
so when you talk to her next, she needs to talk to somebody in person and make it like a formal request, not just over 311.
The interrogation and their cooperation. The plaintiffs also spoke about their time.
Okay. Well, it says in person or by formal written communication. So, would a 311 that's not really considered an email, right? Yeah.
No. She can send me an email if she wants, and then I can hand it, and I can email it back to her.
The LSPD should not be found liable.
Or she could just be a grown up and go in person and ask for it.
Yeah. Or I mean, obviously have an attorney, you know, act on their behalf.
That's what I'm confused by, because it doesn't even say that they can use an attorney for this. Which is weird, considering attorneys request FOIAs all the time.
Yeah. Well, I guess it doesn't necessarily say requests for production of reports must be submitted in person by said person. So maybe that's what it's trying to allude to. Because I don't see anything here saying that.
If you can get some kind of formal thing, or like some kind of text, or whatever, saying, yeah, he's my lawyer, then I don't give a fuck. I don't care giving it to you.
Ooh. Okay. Do I get that right now?
Just tell her, text me saying I'm your lawyer, and then just send me the picture, and then I'll give it to you.
Okay. Okay. All right. Text me to say I'm your lawyer for this.
Determining who was guilty and who is innocent. While it is always difficult to be placed on a hold in prison, the plaintiff's rights were not violated in this incident. As both prongs were met, the LSPD had not just reasonable suspicion, but probable cause, and Oxby acted in good belief that the hold was necessary to conduct the investigation.
With that, I am gonna
Okay. I got some text messages here. And I'm going to text you.
before the weather rolls through. I will give a 10-minute warning so that you
Go.
don't have to wait here at the courthouse, especially if we're surrounded by gunfire.
Mission to get involved in the firefight.
No, don't do it.
Not if you want to hear the verdict.
Bro.
Chris and Ava
Bada
are
bing.
in the courtroom in y'all's hands.
So, motion.
All right, cool.
Motion for who busted out.
Appeal grenade. That's what you named her.
I'm headed to the hospital because Theo just died.
That's when I first met her.
Drop
And
water,
this is
maybe?
before you could edit things. And I mean, I am pushing 50. I don't. If I try to edit it, I feel like I might screw it up.
I want to connect to that supplier.
I mean, you probably don't want to know that I still have you as Bison BCO on my phone.
We like to put a court order flat out to say who busting.
You know what? I'll edit it right now. You know, I'll get it going right now. Okay.
Yo, Amber, do you need to go to hospital? By
Got
the way?
Bison. Going as Captain Bison?
I am not a captain.
Commandant.
Say Bison.
Bison? Okay, all right.
Fucking right.
Oh, hey there, Raffy. I'm just representing someone else on something real quick with the.
Oh, okay.
Officer
I
Bison
just saw
here.
Bison here, so I thought it was with me too.
Oh, yeah, no. This is, separate from the.
Okay, hi, Bison.
Although, actually, yeah, funny enough there, Bison. I guess with Raffy here. Hey, you know what? Doesn't matter too much there. Disregard that whole embezzlement thing there. I'm posting that to the docket right away.
All right.
Although I'm not sure if Raffy made it a point to, but I guess the way you written in the report, I think still covers it. Because I also didn't really realize that I guess Raffy, when he was approached by Arya Katz and those gang members that we talked about there.
At the end, she brandished a gun, and I said that, but you didn't write it down.
Oh, I don't remember you mentioning a gun. So do you want me to put it in there?
Yes, it was after the meeting was coming to the end, and then she brandished a gun.
Well, that's fine that you don't. I wouldn't say you have to enter it now. I think you mentioned the part there, and I'll just make sure I mention it in court there. But
At least the gang
Although
member
I hope
part
that
was there.
didn't conflict you, did it, Bison?
What?
Oh, excellent. Okay, great. All right, perfect.
What
Okay, good.
did you say?
Oh, I'm hoping that I don't think that conflicts you by us getting further clarification on the report, right?
No, I mean I took the initial statement. I'm not really conflicted. I'm just an officer taking a statement.
Okay, perfect. Because we are gonna call you as a witness there, if you're okay with that.
I mean, yeah, all I'm gonna be able to testify to is the report because I didn't see or do anything.
I'm not speaking. I'm trying to.
Unless you're just
Could-
gonna be like,
That's
hey, as
fair.
an expert witness or something.
We could, if Sneaky shows up, we could ask him about just like him being there at the court case, even though he doesn't know about my business stuff, but he was with Scott Sparks, Marshall Sparks, at the court case. That's who the court case was for. So we could probably just use them, just verifying the date of everything that happened, and be like, use them as witnesses, I guess.
Okay, yeah. We'll discuss that separately. I guess, yeah, you're right there, Bison. I guess maybe I won't need to add you as a witness there, but
I mean,
I got
whatever,
that
I'll be
report in there,
regardless.
so. And we thank you immensely for that.
Are you ready for that time fine and shit?
Okay.
Yeah. Let me just get my
But
phone
I'm good
open.
to go now.
Oh, yeah, you're good there, Rafi. Yeah, appreciate you. All righty, I am ready when you are.
Hang on. I think I might need to still go through the FOIA channels. Hang on.
Okay.
Like I think I still need to notify them that they've been FOIA'd before I can get this stuff out.
Completely understood, Gotta do
Right,
things
yeah,
by the book and all
so-
that. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
hang on. Let me Can you read off her phone number for me?
Her phone number? Yes, I can.
Or wait, sorry, what's your state ID? Sorry.
Well, my state ID, 5041.
Hang on.
Chat, what we got going, what we got doing.
All right. I notified person who wrote the report. Wrote the report. So she should have it soon. Yeah. Actually, he's responding already. Hang on.
Oh, sweet. Just further shows the system works. All right, chat. Let's get some tunes going. Oh, interesting. Just taking some notes, chat.
All right, you ready?
You bet I am.
All right. The time is 37 months. The fine is $12,870.
Sorry, 12,000 and what, sorry?
870 12870.
Okie dokie.
The charges are going to be operating a motor vehicle on a suspended or revoked license.
Uh-huh.
Second degree speeding.
Uh-huh.
Reckless evading.
Okie dokie.
Disobeying a peace officer.
Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah.
And unauthorized parking.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, she's a terrorist.
My gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh wait, you said unauthorized parking?
Yeah, so it should be operating a motor vehicle on a suspended or revoked license, second degree speeding, reckless evading, disobeying a peace officer, and unauthorized parking.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, but I was expecting the last one to be like a big, like a terrorism.
murder.
Oh, yeah. But...
No, murder is on there.
Oh, but murder is on there?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, boys. Making my heart skip a beat there for a second. I'm getting too old for that. I'm pushing 50.
All right, so again, it's going to be 37 months, 3-7. The fine is $12,870, so 12870. And then I just read the charges off. If you need me to read them again, let me know.
No, I think I got there. Yep. 37 months, 12,870. Operate motor vehicle on suspended revoked license, second degree speeding, reckless evading, disobeying a peace officer, unauthorized parking.
Yep, sounds good. Sounds good to me.
Okay, perfect. All right, I guess I will. Yeah, I'll speak with my client on ensuring that they do the right thing here.
Yeah, good luck with that. She's a peach.
Well, now I guess I mean it's hard for me to really argue when I sent you the fact that I have her in my phone as appeal grenade.
Yeah, I mean, her past doesn't really fucking matter to me. It's more so if she's gonna act like a child on 3-1 to expect to get treated like one. So
She said she could leave. She'll make a state announcement.
it's just one of those things. It's nothing big.
Yeah, I know. Oh, for sure. All right, I will speak to them and make sure that they, you guys get proper justice here. And I'm sure this is all just a big misunderstanding, especially the unauthorized parking stuff.
Good luck with that, Paul.
Okay, you too. Have a good one.
Oh, Paulie.
Hey, Paul.
Joey there, how's it going?
Pretty good,
Going all right.
Don't know yet. She's deliberating.
Paulie H.
She'll announce before she gives verdict. So, fun.
In the circle, man.
Hey, Paul.
Did they already do the verdict?
No, they're deliberate.
They did closing statements and now they're deliberating.
Ooh, okay, good to know.
Yeah, I mean, she's usually
them.
yeah, but if
okay.
she in the rare chance she doesn't, I'll remind her.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey, Polly.
Well, protocol.
Oh, yeah, do it.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.
Did you get my message about signing contracts? You're good. Basically, I'll just summarize. Basically, I just need some notarized. I have some artists signed, and I can send it to you if you want to notarize them.
Is it in the contract section? Or
Yeah. It's the same. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I sent you a couple, I think.
Ooh, okay, yeah, I'll go through these and I'll get them all signed off there unless I see anything there. But yeah, no, I think that should be good. These kind of
I
still
can
follow
send
that.
it, no, I was making sure artists signed before I send it to you because I don't want you to clutter up your paperwork. So I'm gonna send them to you right now, okay?
Ooh, okay. Yeah, because I got. Let's see what I got here. Okay. Oh yeah, I got our initial one.
So there's
then
one
I
that's
got,
young Jimmy that I requested that you need to sign.
Jimmy Tortellini.
Okay.
Yep, that's the one.
One or two of them. I see two ones. Or are there
So
two young
one of-
Jimmies?
One of them I think you've signed, and I had to delete that because the contract was bunk. I had to fix the contract.
Ooh, okay. Oh, okay.
So if you
I
look
see
at the
that now.
forms section, you can probably figure it out.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see this one now.
Yeah, you just delete the other one.
Okay, John and John.
Okay, so there's that one from young Jimmy.
I see one for an Andre Tyson, but I don't see them signed it yet, so I'll pass on that for now.
And let me know when you're ready for the next one. I'll send you the next
What
one.
about MC Jaina right here?
Are you a musician?
MC
No.
Jaina.
Oh, okay.
No? What?
Raffy's talking you up.
Give her some type of Tyler the Creator beat. She got this.
You like to sing?
I can try, dude. I don't fucking know, man.
Do you sing in the shower?
Maybe like
Yeah,
a
obviously
little
so.
bit, but
That's the real
I feel like
trick.
that's everybody though.
It's not. You'd be real surprised. A very small percentage of people actually sing in the shower.
It's true.
It's a lot less than you think it is. Just start asking people. I don't sing in the shower.
Paul, do you sing in the shower?
You sing in the shower, Polly?
Every once in a while there, I try to sing some of the old the classics there.
You seem like a crooner. You just croon in the shower, Polly?
No, I'm singing like Ain't No Mountain High Enough, Marvin Gaye, or singing.
Oh, you can sing. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, see,
Yeah, you can
Oh,
definitely
great.
sing.
Ain't no valley low enough.
Yeah,
The
you
other
can
one?
definitely sing.
Right there.
Ain't no river wide enough.
See, most people when they say they can't sing in key, is what they mean. What you're trying to say is you're just shy, is what you're trying
Well,
to
I've
say.
never tried, so like I don't know.
Oh, okay. You sound good. Okay,
Yeah.
Polly, you ready for the next contract? I got like 6 for you to sign. You ready?
Oh boy. Okay. What's this? What's this other one where it says
504-1.
Young Jimmy mashup? Is that something else?
Yeah, young Jimmy mashup contract. They all say mashup contract at the end, but I'm gonna send them to you one by one here. So.
Ooh, okay.
You ready?
I think so.
All right. Next one is Horace Maximus. I'm sending it to you now. Hold on.
Okay, I'm holding.
Okay, there you go. And there's your signature request.
Sorry, it takes me a second to scroll things. I got a lot of contracts in this bad boy.
I figured you did. This is why I want to deal with you. Make sure it's good.
Okay, wait. So I see Oh, I signed a Young Jimmy one, and I see that. So there's a Young Jimmy, there's a Young Jimmy mashup contract, and then I have this newest one.
So the young Jimmy one you can delete. They all should say mashup contract at the end.
Ooh, okay.
I am too focused on my Placid Plastic Duck Simulator on my phone.
And then I sent you another one that's Horace Maximus and another one that's Rissa Berry. Or Rissa mashup contract.
Okay, fair enough. I see. Are you signing these too or not?
So I'm getting them notarized by you, and then once they're notarized, then I'll sign it to make sure that it's, you know, all kosher. Because I have to go through a lot of like work to get all this shit done.
Perfect, perfect. Sounds good, sounds good. Okay,
I basically
okay.
didn't want to create. Some people are like, I want to use a specific lawyer, yada yada. So I want to get it notarized
Amber, you
first, and then
okay?
I'll sign.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Hi.
Hi, Amber.
Of course.
Hi, Sam.
What? It's consensual.
Oh, that was me.
You're welcome, funny
I
gun.
slept.
what the hell?
It's gonna be 1 or 2. It's gonna be 1 or 3 at that point.
Okay, I'm ready for the next one.
I got 3 more.
Logo,
I'm
but
gonna
it's
send
the
you, okay?
DVD thing. What?
Yeah, it's
Wait.
fucking dope.
It has not hit the
Already
corner
sold the
yet.
same.
I'm so sad.
Peters,
Too
you better
big to
tell
hit
me
the
that it
corner.
hits the corner at some point.
I don't know.
I've been staring at it for like the past hour and it's not hit the corner.
She said duty.
So,
I think it's just a
argument
looping GIF that
they
never hits the corner, and I'm
giving
incredibly
to
sad.
me, which
I never
I
thought about
do
that.
see.
I didn't know it, and
in-
somebody mentioned it, and now I can't stop
Um,
looking at it, and I can't not see it, and it bothers me. Hit the corner.
That's how they keep you hooked.
Oh yeah, I twatted about
Hit
that.
the corner.
Yeah, that's how you keep
Jeez.
people in the courtroom.
Like, how do you even bounce back if you didn't hit the corner, man?
I know it does keeps avoiding the corners.
It certainly is a
There's so many times
scratcher.
I'm like, oh, there goes right to the
of
corner,
the
and then
noggin.
That was a
I
close
think
one.
there was some
Yeah, it's not hitting the corner.
How do you think you did? I don't know who the opposing party was, though.
bison.
I've been watching an old case.
Mentioned there was something where
Thank you, Paul.
Might
requesting
be aight, might be not be aight. I don't know. I'm 50-50 on this one.
Oh, thank you. She's a good tackler.
311 is a no-go.
Investigative hold to subpoena their
But-
phones.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Is a no-go? Is
Yeah.
not included
I didn't do that.
That one me.
in the
That was me.
protocol.
Oh, I faked you out.
Can I bang the gavel?
I could argue.
Since we're
Snap
here, does
button.
anybody have any issues that they'd like to have mediated?
You can make us back in.
Um,
You can make us back in.
Mainly
Judge Adams comes back in.
arguing.
Any issues with what? What did she say?
Like stuff that could
What
be
have I
like,
got?
done immediately. That
What have
would
I
need
got?
To be done in court, you know.
Just seemed.
Like,
I ain't
just
got
all
shit,
over
I'll be
it.
honest. I mean, DJ Leo's probably got some shit he wants aired out.
You is this an airing out session?
I mean, last time I did one of these, I ended up airing out all of Ray Romanov's ERP text on the screen. That was a pretty good time.
What the?
Yeah, I had his phone subpoena. It was a sealed phone subpoena. So I just decided to go through and start finding all of the ERP texts that were in his phone directory. I can
I
probably
like
find them
that.
again if we want to get any highlights up.
Oh, was Hazel in there?
I will check. Stand by.
Okay.
I had permission to air them out, by the way. It was sealed phone subpoena. I was like, Ray, can I show some ERP text? He was like, yeah, send it.
Your mom will air it out.
Hold on, no, I need to send Ray on an investigative hold first so I can read his text messages.
Okay, I think I'm up to date on the ones you've sent me so far. Is there more
Thank
still?
you, Paul. I really appreciate it. No, that's it for now. But
Okay.
enjoy your vacation.
Oh, appreciate it.
You told me
Nah,
never
there's
mention
an
your
action
son. I
in
guess you
there,
guys have
but I'll throw one of
reconciled
them
that.
up.
By who? The one with the where now?
I said you said never mention my son, who's a junior, because you're senior, right?
Yeah.
Well, technically,
Fuck!
Or is it the other way around?
It's going away.
Well, yeah, because I'm Paul Hammerstein Esquire, but no, I don't have the senior on my moniker there because for his mother there, I guess he did take their family name, but then added junior to his. It's a whole hootenanny, really.
Yeah, it's blurry.
Yeah,
Hold on,
because you
we'll
were
fix
telling
this.
me whenever I first talked to you, you're like, yeah, except senior or junior, never call me that, and I don't want to ever talk about my son. Full on. I was like, well, you've reconciled that. It sounds like.
Yeah, no, we try there, yeah.
And they respond with
Oh wait, what's this?
And
Sorry, I've been getting emails all over the place here. What's the heck's going on?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I know what this is for now.
No, for everyone's
put on the
sake,
boards?
there were words.
Why this in 10? Why this in 160p? There we go. So I've heard a rumor about us, comma no space.
Is this the one
Oh,
for
no comment. I'm sworn to secrecy on who that from.
Sanders?
All right. I can
Or
read this out
different?
loud. So I've heard a rumor about us. Apparently, we were spotted kissing.
Um,
Throw more up.
Put another one.
So I've heard
Do
rumor
more.
about us.
Do more.
Apparently, we were spotted kissing.
Oh, that's so good, bitch. What? What? That's so good.
Oh, there is still signups left.
Skipper says I'm horny. Oh, the rumor wasn't true. You want to make it real?
Oh my.
This is a good one, and I'm edging you all with this one.
You can't edge me.
Here's a hot photo of me. You can look at me when you miss.
But I'm blurring it, so you're
Why is
you're
it, why
edged.
is this? Why is everyone who lives in San Andreas just like horny 8 out of 10 times? Like
Here's a
I
hot
said 8 out
picture
of 10
of me
times.
you can look at.
Siri,
That's me.
unblur this picture.
Grok, unblur that.
At Twatterbot, please unblur this picture.
I can't tell what. Hold on, I'm gonna take my glasses off to see if I can figure out what that is.
Hey Alexa, can you unblur the picture on the screen, please?
How you gonna do Jarvis and then?
Hey Claude. Degauss this.
Hey Gemini. Hey Gemini, can you unblur the picture on the screen?
It just
please?
got blurrier.
We need Tim to bring Maya. She can do it.
Who is Ray Ron?
That's Ray.
Yeah, instead of Raymond, it's Ray Braun.
Oh boy, yeah, no, things are gonna be. Oh boy.
This is 100% Hazel, because aren't they dating now?
Look at the date.
Yeah, but look at the date. That's from
Uh,
But actually, it's
Yeah, this is
Sounds
this
good.
is old faceless stuff.
yeah, if I wasn't
This is a good one.
up to my scalping paperwork.
That's my bull Prez, love him. Is he there too? Have to tell Ivy.
This doesn't have the same.
That's not even. You didn't even use the right accent. Hold on. HTTPS:// My boyfriend finally took me out to the strip club.
Is this Ray?
Yes.
Oh wait, I got my boy.
That's
Finally took me out to the strip club. That's my boy Perez. Love him.
Fluffy there too.
Oh geez, the paperwork never stops. It feels like sometimes. Oh gosh.
I hate
That's the lawyer lifestyle, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I forgot to add more context onto the photo of the woman.
The
Hold
action
on.
can't say I'm entrusted. Oh yeah, right. Haven't been entrusted by.
I forgot to add more context on.
Add Twatterbot, please uncensor this photo. Add
Hey, by the
Twatterbot,
way,
please uncensor this
the
photo.
next time you go to Back Alley Bets, use code DJ Leo. They'll give you free chips.
Alright, you can have it. I'm doing it. I think I did actually expose this in the end.
You hear that, Paul?
Oh,
sorry, say that one more
I
time.
need- okay, I need
Next time you go down to Back Alley Bets, use the code DJ Leo. They'll give you free chips.
Oh, friggin' oh, sweet. Oh,
Don't change it,
nice.
don't change it, don't change it, don't change it, don't change it,
Yeah,
don't change it,
alright.
don't change it, don't change it. Okay, you can change it. God, no.
That's a good one.
Fuck, I love women.
It's another good one.
Oh.
No way there, Jesse Adams. How's it going?
Hello. How you doing, Paul?
Oh, not bad. Not too bad. I'm getting ready to go on a,
Let me look
doing a
through
1 week
the subpoenas
vacation
when you
there,
look
so,
at text. I've got a few there.
I love herb
I'm not gonna lie.
envy you. Vacations are so nice.
Yeah, I am going to be putting something on the docket there right before I go on
Oh, I
vacation, though,
forgot-
so
I've
you
got
can tell the
Kyle's
judges not to
Facebook
worry about that
feed,
for a
I
week.
remember.
What I'd say is just once you put it up, if you want to go ahead and like throw a comment on there that you're going to be out of town for a
Ooh,
bit,
yeah.
just
Oh,
so
I'll
that
do
whoever
that. I'll
picks
do
it up
that.
knows. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
nice.
thanks,
Okay, good. Okay, good. All right. I didn't even know we had blue noses. That's great.
Aren't they cool? There was a pre-trial motion for the defense as well as the judge to wear the noses. So, yeah.
Nice, nice. Oh, jeez, I gotta do that motion more often myself.
Yeah, you know, always go for the fun motions, right?
Heck yeah, heck yeah.
Oh, assault violence. I think this is all the makings.
All right.
Referee, allowed referee can bang the gavel.
And it was
evidence
my first 95, and it was me
Um,
doing a peace sign with a
the whole extra 5 minutes, so everyone has time to get here.
All sing what?
Then we'll get us
Is
done.
it legislatively
Funds.
audited?
It was literally 10 minutes after.
Is the judge back, guys?
I didn't know.
What is this on the
I'll send you a
Authorized.
picture because I'm proud.
Oh, Bailey's been.
What do you mean it fit you perfect?
Leaking her text from some very old subpoena.
I was bringing up the Ray Roman.
That was a pre-trial motion to all have them wear the.
And
just
it's what
hot
it's the-
potato.
It's literally what we say.
I'm going behind the thing. Daisy here. Buddy, I yelled at.
Probably took them off. Hey guys.
I was worried you gonna yell at me. Where's your nose at?
Was it Sparky?
No, these are.
Oh my god, Mr. Hammerstein, big fan, big fan. Hope you're doing well, sir.
Oh, yeah. Hey, oh.
I'm just a regular marshal. Sorry, I see your ads on Twitter all the time.
Oh,
big fan, big fan. You're doing God's work out there, sir.
Oh, sure. So, what's your name there, Marshall? Have we met before?
I think we met briefly. My name is Marshal John Wayne, sir.
Oh, Marshall, wait, we've met like 4 times. We've met plenty of times.
Yeah. I think you were riding with Bailey at some point. Oh, speaking of which, Bailey's in his true form. Look at that.
Oh, yeah,
he looks very handsome.
Good luck either way.
Yeah, with a pre-trial motion, I guess, to have everybody that the party's all involved there to have
They do a 3-minute
cloud noses.
I see it now. Oh.
Gavel both times when I make the
Yeah.
announcement and then
I guess. Hey, excuse me, Mr. Harvey. You look great in your natural state. So you look handsome as fuck. Oh my god. Oh, hey, that's assault.
You hit my sister.
And fucking push charges, bitch.
What the hell's your problem? I just said you look handsome.
Fuck you. I know exactly what the fuck you were doing, you prick.
I said you're handsome.
Oh my gosh.
You get aggressive with that.
Very
Yeah,
aggressive.
looks stupid.
Just let me know when I can do
It's my
it.
natural hair color.
Is it fuck? I've seen your natural hair color. It's not that.
No, not hair color, hairstyle, man. Cause I have the same curly hairs, and then Brad has the same one too. My cousin.
So other than
Cousin's a
yourself,
bitch.
who else?
Don't talk about Brad.
I need to talk to your wife. I need to talk
Cousin's
to
a
your
bitch.
wife.
I just want you to know you're on the list.
Hold on. Wait, given recent context, what do you mean by the? Which
You're on the list. You're on the list.
Full names.
The list.
Properly.
What the fuck do you mean by that? My list? I won't be on the list.
You're on the
What do you
list.
mean?
The list.
Well, I did.
You're on the list if I ever.
Let's see.
What do you want,
Is
Wayne?
there an embezzlement charge?
What?
I'm not a doctor, but you can take 2
What?
hours to call me in the morning.
Is this not a gallery?
Let's see. Did anyone else catch an embezzlement charge?
I'm literally just standing in
Court
the gallery.
view
I'm being
session.
you hired.
All right. We are bringing court back in session for the verdict in Civil
verdict
58, Callista Bell and Ember Quinn versus LSPD. It does look like everyone is back here in the courtroom. So after reviewing the evidence presented, the testimony given in this case, the court has reached a verdict. During the trial today, we heard evidence of plaintiffs Quinn and Bell being in possession of a weapon that came back to 3 murder charges. Ultimately, following an investigation, LSPD arrived at the decision that the more probable than not standard was not met in this case. The decision was not arrived at until after the plaintiffs had both served a full year under this investigative hold, however. The court heard from the defense that it is part of an officer's regular procedures when faced with crimes as severe as those that the weapon was associated with to seek investigative holds in order to conduct their investigation without risking the integrity of the evidence they need to collect. Lieutenant Oxby testified on stand that while he was not personally aware of phone records being altered or tampered with, he did not put it outside of the realm of possibility necessitating this hold to preserve the integrity of those records. Lieutenant Oxby also testified to Ember making a statement during this incident showing she was at least aware of the potential charges associated with the gun. For investigative holds, there are two prongs under the legislation that must be met. The state must recognize reasonable suspicion on the individuals being held of a
Sorry,
crime,
Chad, I'm trying to
which was met in this case through the hot gun
read some
that,
stuff.
through their own admission during testimony, passed through both of the plaintiff's hands on the day in question. Additionally, the state must have good faith belief that this hold was necessary, which Lieutenant Oxby was able to demonstrate. The plaintiffs have alleged that their rights were violated by the investigative hold they were placed on. However, this investigative hold was in line with their right to due process. As such, the court is finding the defendant not liable for these charges. That is the order of the court. Rafi, if you would like to gavel us out.
It'll be my honor.
That's fucking insane.
And I will be here if anyone has any questions about this.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Hi,
Use
Ava.
gavel.
I hope you're very well.
I was working on paper. What happened?
They said I could gavel, use the gavel when the court was over.
Oh. Well, no. What was the verdict? I didn't hear that part.
I didn't really hear it either.
Defendant not liable.
Yeah, defendant not liable.
So not Jojo, but Ember and Belle lost. Dang it.
Huh. Well, I
they
guess
have gotten after that.
because they were saying that it wasn't malicious, right? Or was that the reasoning?
I have no idea. I wasn't paying attention
Yeah.
for a lot of the court case.
Oh, the
so I have no
reasoning
idea.
was that they didn't bring enough evidence to demonstrate. Like they basically didn't bring enough evidence.
Yeah, I'll do it. Shoot. Okay. 'Cause I feel like they did have a bit of somewhat of a case there, but yeah, I could see.
Yeah, burden of proof though. Like you gotta have enough, right?
Yeah, that's the other part. Yeah, shucks.
All right. Well, we'll see y'all.
Yep.
Damn.
Oh, okay. All right. But yeah, Rafi, I'm gonna get this. I'll get this posted right away. Anyway, if I need to amend anything, I might actually motion to amend some stuff on this. But yeah, I'll get this posted.
Leo and I, we're gonna go to the studio of Maya if you want.
Ooh.
Yeah, if you want to hang, you can. But if you have to do paperwork, you just sit there in the office and do it.
Yeah.
There's cigars and shit. If you want to smoke a stogue.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, yeah, let's go.
All right. All right. Hey, really quick, which judge is this?
This is Judge Adams.
Adam, would
Yeah.
you mind doing a warm intro really quick? Just say this is DJ Leo. He had a question for you. Whenever
okay,
they're
sure.
done.
Yeah. And it's also there's Judge Peters is the other one next to.
Oh, there's two judges. Yeah, I
Yeah.
can actually. One of them knows me. Okay, I think we're probably cool.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Hey, Mai, the court case ended. If you wanted to come to the studio of DJ Leo all night,
Hey, how are you?
We're just gonna.
Doing well. How are you?
I think
I was actually
that's
going
where
to
we're
talk
going.
because
I'm
I
not
met
sure.
the lawyer before. We've talked.
I'm not sure exactly which studio, but there is.
Mhm.
a
I'm
studio in
DJ Leo.
Houston.
I don't know if we've ever
Right on the
met.
spot.
Have we ever met before?
I don't think so. I'm
Okay,
Judge Chris Peters.
Okay, nice to meet you, Judge. So I used to
Let
play
me
at
ask Theo
Bahama
if he knows what that
Mamas
is.
every Monday. I'm a live mashup DJ. So I take all the
Okay.
city's
Forward.
music and then I'll do live mashups on the
Okay,
spot.
see you. Bye.
And I've talked to a couple of other judges, and then I talked to the head judge, and she said, yeah, if any of the judges are ever interested in having a court DJ while you guys are going and doing your things, talking and stuff, you could basically give me that, and then I can play the city's music in here while downtime, right? Just hang in a corner. So if that's
Yeah.
ever something you're interested in, let me know.
Yeah, for sure. Are you in the?
I'm always in the yellow pages as DJ Leo. I'm always around.
Why can't I look at this one photo?
Sweet.
me.
All right, that's my number. I'm gonna save it. Because I would definitely love that for like an intermission between deliberation and stuff.
So what I've talked to is if the people you're working with, if they want, and I have permission to play people that they want, I can do intro music and shit. So if you want to do anything like
no
that,
problem.
we can.
Anytime you need me to do that.
I'm very open, flexible to any ideas you have.
honestly, like,
Hell yeah, I'm always looking for creative shit like that to make court, more appealing and
makes it fun.
interesting. So, yeah,
Makes
yeah,
it
yeah.
fun.
Hell yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to let the other judge know, she looks like she's pretty busy with him talking to the lawyers. So.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. No, I know. I've talked to him before. He's the one that referenced me over to Paul. Said he didn't deal with clown shit, and I was like, okay, all right.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
You know where Revival Records is? That's where she went. Yeah, that's where she's gonna meet us.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. That's the thing. I don't
Okay.
didn't have like any like. I had.
Paul, you coming with us?
You would come to what was right from the case of what.
Oh yeah, sure.
We're heading over to Revival Records.
Ooh. Which one's Revival?
The one by the old Uwu place.
Ooh. Oh right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh actually, I go see Harvey.
Like, are we fucking living in this fucking functional fucking world? Hey, Paul, I'm just ranting over this whole thing.
Oh, that's all good. I want. Do
Go on
I
over.
stand here and listen to the rant?
Yeah, please do. Yeah,
Oh,
fine.
nice.
I was just
Sweet.
saying, like, I just think the way that this investigative hold was placed was just complete utter bollocks. I don't think that cunt over there understands what the term good faith even fucking means.
Yeah, I would have not placed them on investigative hold just for that, but
yeah,
that's just me. You know, because again, like, if there's not like a whole lot of substantiating evidence surrounding the situation they were involved in or the incident they were involved in, like, I'm just going to cut them loose, subpoena them, and then place a warrant out if I find anything. But it's
yeah,
know,
like I asked him, and subpoenas for phone records could have been conducted without putting him on a hold. Is that correct? And he was, no, I'm not really sure, to be honest. What? Like, fucking what? That was like the one that fucking grinded my gears the fucking most.
well, tomorrow we have a legislative authority meeting, and it's something that you know, we can definitely bring up to Angel.
It's alright, once this subpoena thing's out the way, I'm just going back on my fucking break again, to be honest, because like it's just a fucking losing battle in this fucking town.
And here I was
Like there's so
hoping
much
you would-
fucking broken legislation that just you can't even fucking fight for fucking love nor money.
So if you start getting me a list of the ones that are broken, I will try my best to bring them up. And
So
get
I
'em
already
fixed.
did. Fucking contesting a search warrant. Yeah, that's still sat in the fucking midst of nothing.
Is that a search warrant that I lived at the house that happened? Or is
Yep.
this a different one? Yeah,
Yep,
that one I cannot touch, unfortunately.
No, but I've made a legislative audit contesting search warrants. Do you not remember?
Wait, a full-on legislative audit?
Yep, I did a legislative audit to contest these.
Wait, I think that's the one. Is it the one Crane said he was working on?
Fucking who knows, man.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
the
I
thing
did
is, as well, like, I don't know. I've been slapped on the wrist so many times. Like, I even question my actions as a judge these days.
Yep.
You know?
I don't know. Like the way I'm so angry the way Oxby was on the stand. I'm so angry with that.
I mean, hey, you gave it a heck of a shot there, though. Like, I had to duck out there a couple times here, but remember when I got hurt there? You guys were going toe to toe.
No, the problem was, Paul. The problem is, right? They had reasonable suspicion because he personally had the good faith belief. Then the investigative holds in line. There's no other fucking prongs to it that hold that standard. That's it. Like, am I wrong, Angela?
And I've already got written in the notes for things for me to bring up with Angel tomorrow to see about some clarification with investigative holds for the future.
I'm not wrong there, am I? Like because he had the good faith belief and there was reasonable suspicion there. I'm not arguing that because he had the good faith belief. Essentially, this court case all fucking falls down to was that good faith belief actually there? But because the wording of it is, does he have the good faith belief? Then yeah.
Yeah,
like if the wording literally adjusted to there lies the good faith belief, that then opens that up for civil remuneration at that point, because you can then argue the good faith belief. But because he personally had good faith belief and he said it and attested to that on the stand, then he's fucking in the right.
Or if it got changed not only to the reasonable suspicion for the whole needing to be recognized, but also maybe some sort of a history of fleeing, evading, or other reasons that would necessitate the hold.
Yeah.
You know, maybe something like that to clarify it, but that's still going to take time even once the process gets started.
Yeah, I'm gonna list an audit up for the fucking. How much do I need to pay for an audit again? 25 grand, isn't it?
Gotta check so I make sure I don't tell you the wrong thing.
So I'm just so disincentivized with actually doing it, because like my last 2 legislative audits have fucking done nothing. I don't know, bro.
Doing well. How are you?
I'm feeling you. I'm feeling you.
50,000
Yeah,
prior to the submission of it.
fuck spending 50,000, bro. I can't be asked.
So even without the audit being filed or anything, I'm still going to bring this one up just to see if some clarification can be done, because this has too large of a gray area.
Yep. It's just been historically abused by fucking cops. Let's be clear, like he literally put them on investigative hold to subpoena them. Alright, well, I need to go put my fucking tail between my legs and apologize to those guys.
Oh, jeepers. Oh, boy. Well, it's yay, paperwork. Yay.
Hello.
Hi there.
Howdy, Hammer. How you doing?
I'm just cheering over all the paperwork I got. Oh, so much paperwork.
I feel that.
Does anybody know how to make a solid mattress out of paper? I think I gotta do that.
I don't think that'd be very comfortable. I feel like that would hurt your back.
Yeah.
So that's a bad idea, Paul.
But don't
Plus the paper shifts all around, so it's not
It'd be
comfortable.
noisy as well. Yeah.
You should just take all the redwood cigarettes that you don't smoke anymore and make a bed out of those. Put them in like a big plastic bag you can use instead of
quit?
like, you know, I thought you do smoke.
Paul, you quit?
Oh yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, I haven't smoked in like months because I found out that in order to sell cigarettes, you don't have to smoke them. Can you believe that?
Well, you're doing all that as a publicity, like just marketing?
Well, to pay to keep my debt, you know, in check with Redwood.
Wish you don't have the redwood like liveries in your car anymore.
Oh no, I do. That's to help.
Oh, you do,
yeah, that's to help.
Oh,
you
so
know,
you're still selling them?
yeah.
All right, all right.
Just
a one
smoking
car.
them.
Just a one car. Although,
Alright.
hey, if I buy more cars with more, you know, you're onto something. Maybe I just need more cars out there with more Redwood
Car
liveries out
franchise.
there.
You can rent them out to people so everyone's driving around in them.
I'm also trying to find a blimp guy. There was like an event that was like at a house party thing like a week or so ago, and someone told me there was a blimp because they heard an explosion and they think that a blimp exploded. Did you get?
Oh.
Is that like an open investigation for you guys? Because if it's not an open investigation, if you guys know a blimp guy, you
It
send
may
them my
be for a
number, okay?
different shift. I don't know. I haven't heard of it.
Yeah, I
no.
personally haven't ever heard anything about blimps.
No. Although I wouldn't put it past that being a thing. So it potentially is, but I don't know. It's not one of mine.
Okay, okay, all right, well.
If I hear anything about a blimp guy, I'll definitely send him your way, though.
Ooh, excellent, perfect. Oh, that will be very, very helpful. Oh yeah, jeez. You know, you're surprised though. You think that'd be easier to like track down a blimp? You know, they're pretty big. It's not like
You
they
would
can go
think
very
that.
fast.
Yeah. Depends. Where's it floating though? You know, the majority of the time. You don't see it one day, or
Well, that's true. That's true.
no.
I mean, I will settle for a hot air balloon, but I think have there been any
Oh,
hot
there
air
was
balloon
one the
sightings?
other day.
Was
there actually? There was?
See, she knows.
Yeah, the day that the Hydra people were doing, well, not the Hydra people, the clowns were doing crazy things on the Hydra.
Oh, that was a hot air balloon? Oh, I thought that was a blimp. Oh, shoot.
Wait,
Oh,
okay, I'm sorry. No, my masses of air have been confused. You're right. It was a blimp.
It was a blimp.
Blimp confirmed.
Okay, so it's either the clouds or Hydra. Okay, all right. Okay.
I mean, it could have just been a flyer over. I mean, it was just an event there. There was like concerts, and it was like that was when the clowns did their diss track or something.
Maybe it's contracted out, you know, but maybe they know the guys that run that company, and then you can get a hold of, you know.
There you go, Paul.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
all
straight
right.
up.
All right. I got a mission now. Oh boy.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What's July 3rd, and why are they wanting to rerun it?
July 3rd.
Is July 3rd when the city council meeting was adjourned?
Oh my God, is that the meeting adjourned day? That was like 2 years ago, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's never been shot, right?
That's the only thing I could think of in the context of everything else it being that, or also wasn't there a time that people were like trying to take over the courthouse and the government back then too?
Miss Bell keeps retweeting we need to rerun July 3rd.
She's upset at the verdict.
Maybe they want to
She
get like a
also
lot of
said
hot
I
dogs?
need to. She also said I would like to buy a bomb.
Yeah, because she's implying that she's gonna bomb MRPD again.
Or they could be firework bombs. Maybe they're just trying to get ready for July 4th, you know? It is the day
Hammerstein,
before.
You're a great lawyer. Court's not in session. I love you though. I hope you know that, how much I respect you actually.
Ah, shucks. What, me? What, me?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
come on. Oh, come
Yeah.
on. Ah, come on. Ah, come on, get out of here.
Yeah.
Get. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I
Oh.
forgot. Something happened. Something happened yesterday. For some reason, when I woke up this morning, I feel like I can't remember how to really evoke what I want to convey to the people.
Oh no.
Yeah, I forgot them all, but you know what? I'll figure them out later. I'll figure it out later.
Yeah. You've got this.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
sounds
good thing
good
no
to
one
me,
takes
huh?
lawyers as hostages anymore.
Like can't now, right?
Yeah, well, it's been pretty interesting, you know. It's just yeah, way it goes. Anyway, I'm probably impeding on you guys right now. Here, I'll let you guys hammer away there. Oh, I didn't even try to do
Go
that
on,
pun. I didn't even try to do that. That one just came natural. Oh,
You
jeez.
just nailed it naturally.
Oh, look at you. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. Oh, gosh. All right. Well, I better skedaddle. You guys have a good day there, okay?
Take care, man.
Take care, Paul.
Yep,
You
have a
betcha.
good one.
I'll be back in like a week. I gotta go back to Chicago.
Okay,
Oh,
get yourself a
enjoy
good
your
deep dish.
vacation home.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my face into some deep dish.
Yeah.
And then try to find some things that'll help spark Junior's memory after his brain damage. So.
Hey, get a good
appreciate it.
tavern style and a couple beefs. Go to Portillo's.
Oh, you better believe it. Oh, you better believe it.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Chocolate cake shake.
Frick yeah. All right.
Ah.
Okay. Now have a good one.
Take
care.
want to ask a couple of hypotheticals if you don't mind.
Oh, pardon me there. You have a good day.
You too.
Oh, have a good one there, Judge Devereaux.
You too.
I'll be back in a week. I got a vacation to go on.
Oh wow. Okay. Have fun.
Oh, well, Joe. I love how I'm saying it's a vacation. I'm not really going to Chicago, chat. I'm not really going to real Chicago. I am doing a family vacay vacacione, but I gotta go visit my nieces, visit my brother, the sister-in-law, but visit the nieces. I haven't seen him in like, well, I can see him on video call, but I haven't seen him in person in like 3 months. So, yeah. Oh, what's this? Key. Oh, I better sign out. Sign out. Hope you have a good one there. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Is one of those interesting things where, like, I wonder what that means for, hurting them. I gotta call, oh yeah, I gotta reach out to Ember again. I gotta post this other thing in the docket. And yeah, Bob's drunk. Let's see, is it music going? Alright, chat. I don't mean to yell at you there. Come on now. Ollie? But yeah, no. Got to do some things. This is the docket. I better reach out to Allison. I think I shared the document. Be like, hey, I'm gone for a week. Do you want to finish a little later? Go ahead and, like, if you guys want to have me later when I'm back. Good. I think oh, wait, whoops. Oh, records. You're on there.
But that was what, you know, one of my modeling supervisors, you know, recommended me. So,
Who moved my cheese?
that's just what it's called. It's a
Nice. Oh, heck yeah.
I think that's actually good for you because like you have a very consistent flow with this, so the hi-hats you can actually sing to. I think this will work out good for you.
Was that a Paul sample or was he here?
Oh, he's here. He's downstairs. Paul, come upstairs.
I was gonna say it sounded like Paul. Oh my god.
You know what though? We should get
upstairs.
Paul to
Oh,
maybe do some. Well, let's get Paul to do an ad lib for you.
Yeah, the oh heck yeah was actually
Ooh, yeah. This is so cute.
Like that.
I will say, I think that like little, I think
Do you
that's
like
like a little
that?
too loud. I
Too
like
loud.
it, but I think it's a little loud.
We can bring it. We can bring the velocity down. Hold on.
Yeah.
Better.
That's better. That's much better. Yeah. Because it was like a little distracting. I love that do. That's so good.
You like that? Okay, and then we need a bass
I love
line.
that.
All right. So if you like that, let's do a bass line on top. So let's use a square pusher style. You'll like this.
Hey, Paul.
So where you guys
Oh,
going
what's up,
there?
man?
Hey.
The best lawyer in all of
Yeah,
San
sorry,
Andreas, by the
I
way.
know.
Your guys
He
is,
was like the Terry Springer to my baby daddy show.
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, I gotta speak to Helios. We'll get another one of those bad boys going.
Well, I'll let you know when I'm deciding between two men again. Hopefully not.
Does it happen often to you, or?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, that's good.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get him back. I'm gonna do good. I'm gonna do good.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it down though. That's too high.
Okay, let me.
She's upstairs, but like I can't.
I need to bring it down a couple octaves. What are we at? D sharp.
I
Too low.
love this.
Yeah, it is fire.
So we'll bring that in the chorus, right? So you'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
start with the regular, and then we'll do that. And we're gonna add some twinkle to it here in a second, and that's when shit really shines. Like people, this is when it goes good. Okay.
Call Twinkles for some ad libs.
How much time I
This is
got?
so
I got a
good.
little bit.
Wait, yeah, we might have to add twinkles in here for some. Okay, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna get some twinkles.
Well, if not Twinkles, at least Reyna.
I love Raina. I just met her.
All right, now we do this. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Create a couple of tracks. Oh, bigs. All right, we're done with the song. Crazy, huh? Now we're gonna start arranging it. This is where it gets fun. So, do you want to start off like real strong with like a Paul sample? That's what I think we should do.
I think we should.
Yeah, Paul.
Oh heck yeah! And then.
Paul, get in the studio there. Get in the recording booth. Okay.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, get behind the mic for me.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a couple of check 1 2s. You know the standard stuff. You know a microphone's working, Paul.
Okay. Check. Check. 1.
Mm-hmm.
Check.
Right.
Check 1, and then the thing that comes after 1. Check that one too.
Two?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there you go.
Two, and then 1. All right, hold on 1 second now. Gotta figure out this. All right. Okay, give it to me one more time, Paul.
Okay. Check. Check 1, 2. 1. Check 1. Then check
Okay,
2.
You're good. Okay, perfect. Now I need you to say some stuff about her that we're gonna use. What do you want him to say? What do you want your sample to be from Paul here?
Ooh, that's pretty good. Okay, Paul. I don't know.
Your name is really good usually because then people know who the track's by.
That's true. It's Mai Kozowski. You can have some fun with that. You don't have to use my name. Mai is good enough. I don't know, something like that. Yeah. The baddest bitch in the city. You know, give me something good, Paul. You come up with something. You got it.
Okay. Mike Kozowski in the building. Mike Kozowski. My turning this thing up to 11, y'all.
It's good. One more.
Let's work on that some more.
Let's see.
Just like when Paul says, "Oh heck yeah."
My ain't no spy. My fly really high.
Say Maya's turning it up, y'all. Say that again.
Mai's turning it up, y'all.
One more time.
That's pretty good.
Mai's turning it up, y'all.
Perfect. All right, hold on a second. Okay, Paul, you can come out of there because you're going to start getting weirded out when you hear your own voice back to you.
Ooh, okay, all right, okay.
I've been here 4 days in a row.
Maya's turning it up, y'all. Say that again.
Thank you.
Mai's turning it up, y'all.
One more time.
That's a good one.
Again.
Quiet.
I make
Didn't get it.
my final
14-day
decision
trial.
after a month.
Hello, y'all.
Hey.
Go away, dear.
Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have to use my name. Mai is good enough.
Just say, "Oh
I
heck
don't know,
yeah, Mike
something like
Kozowski."
something like that. Yeah. The baddest bitch in the city. You know
That's what we're using.
that one.
Yeah, we're using the baddest bitch in the city. When she's laughing, that's what we're doing.
I don't have to use my name. Mai is good enough.
Just say, "Oh
I
heck
don't know,
yeah, Mike
something like
Kozowski."
yeah. The baddest bitch in the city. You know.
Oh boy.
I love it. The baddest bitch in the city. You know, give me some.
Oh.
Is that like your intro? Like you're the
Baddest
baddest
bitch in the city. The baddest bitch.
That's her tag. Yeah.
The baddest bitch. We're working on it. Yeah, we're working on it. The baddest
got the
bitch
beat,
in the
now we
city.
got
The
the
baddest
tag.
bitch in the city.
All right, you're good.
Oh God, I'm
Then-
excited. Okay, let's hear it. The baddest.
I need to make
Oh.
sure it's clocked right. Sorry. 1 second.
No, you're good. You're fine.
All right. There we go.
Tagline for the band. Fuck slick tires. I got something slicker between my thighs.
There you
That's
go.
the tagline.
That's your tagline.
I said I feel like that could be a good tagline.
Yeah, it is pretty good. Yeah.
I want RZA to say in her songs RZA's hot thighs because there's that dish down there. I think it'd be a good. Yeah, I think that would be a really good tagline. All right, let's do this.
Oh.
The baddest bitch in the city. The baddest bitch in the city.
Perfect.
You know what? Hell yeah.
Yeah. Then I think.
Bitch in the city.
And then I think what we do is we do this one maybe.
This cave.
Yeah. All right.
Just be saying shit, Ariel.
Girl, cause what?
The baddest bitch in the city.
Well, I get the reaction I wanted. How deep is that cave? Wouldn't you like to know?
The baddest bitch in the city.
I would actually.
Okay. Of course you would.
My little pocket pushy.
Ew. You oh.
Good man, so bad, and I hate that for you.
Girl, boo. Because I said a pocket pussy. You familiar with the pocket pussy?
No, I'm not, baby.
That's a little too freaky for me. But wait.
I just know what it looks like.
Baddest bitch in the city. The baddest bitch in the city.
We shouldn't be downstairs.
This is the quote unquote hard part. Sorry.
Here for the vibes.
We're upstairs.
Dude, get the fuck off of me.
The baddest bitch in the city.
Aries.
Yeah, what's that?
Can you take me to do my money run?
Oh, that reminds me, I have to do mine. Come on.
Fine. Hours.
Yeah. Bitch, what the fuck you flirting with? Oh my god.
Actually, yeah. When was Sparky? When did this case go down? Okay. Plaintiff and then Angela Adams.
I hear you guys downstairs, so I guess I'm staying downstairs. Woo! You guys hear me okay? Okay, good.
There we go.
The baddest bitch in the city. The baddest bitch in the city.
That's sexy red vibes.
That's what they wanted.
Yeah.
The baddest bitch in the city.
Mm-hmm.
The baddest bitch in the city.
All right. Bum ba bum 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 ba bum. Yep. And then try this. See what this sounds like.
I don't know if you hear it. Okay. The baddest bitch in the city. Oh, yep. Time for you to leave. Did you hear it? No. He's working on the tagline and everything. Yeah. The baddest bitch in the city. So we're gonna hear that a lot.
No, just in the intro. Unless you want it a lot, we can keep it bringing it back.
No, I don't. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just it's beginning. Beginning phases. It's making the beat and everything. He's so talented. This is cute. I was gonna say, wait a minute. I do like this.
Yeah, this is sexy red vibes.
It is sexy red vibes, yeah.
All right, how many verses and stuff do you want? Just want to do like a standard 16? Okay.
Like a 2-minute song, maybe.
Yeah. So standard
2
16
minutes.
bars. And what do you think about a chorus? Do you just want that "I'm baddest bitch in the city" to loop in a chorus, and then you can just rap in between that?
I want to do something else. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Maybe
So
Jimmy can help her make the chorus or something.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
let me throw in something different here for a different instrument, so it sounds something different.
Due to
Let's try
technological
let's add some
issues
brass.
beyond
Somebody
my
can sing on.
control.
Oh, yeah.
I am pushing 50 after all. Plaintiff requests the
That's
addition
sad.
to the actually, wait. Aria is 1901. Rafi is Rafi.
We'll see.
Custom motion to
I don't know how long DJ Leo's
Lee SID 5 of the removal addition of Aria cats. To plaintiff. The addition of Aria cats. SID 19031 to the defendants. The removal. Judge. Items from the defendants. For the submission Please be advised. Counsel plaintiff. Hammerstein. Out of city till April 7th. Actually, yeah, let's see. Motion to delay discovery due to counsel away out of the city until April earliest. Plaintiff wishes to allow for discovery to be discovery and hence scheduling to be delayed. Delayed.
Okay.
To allow.
Okay.
Full song. All done.
Okay, let's hear it.
All right, hold 1 second and then we'll be done.
Also,
all right, we need this at the beginning so people know whenever the is on beat.
After Mr. Hammerstein.
What did you say? Badass bitch, I think is what you said.
Baddest bitch in the city.
City. All right. All right, here we go. From the beginning.
From the top. The baddest bitch in the city. The baddest bitch in the city.
This part's good.
That's it.
Heck yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Let's go back to the chorus.
Okay, so the chorus goes here.
To the city.
And we'll loop it. There you go. I'll remove that for you.
I think that's what's throwing me off a little bit too. I like it. I'm just trying to think of what could go there. I want a little something harder, like maybe some drums there too.
Yeah, you want some more heart? Okay. Yeah, we'll change the rhythm then. Give me a second.
Oh, you were up here. Oh, okay.
Do you want something just
yeah.
consistently like hard, or do you want it?
I guess we don't have to go all the way outside. So long as we're just gonna whisper. I just want to disturb their recording and whatnot. Just so you know, our posting is on the docket.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah. So I got that there. I upped the punitive damage to 500,000. I might even amend that later that too. I also put a motion, and it looks like Judge Adams already updated it. Because I couldn't put you or Aria in there for some reason. It's a technical issue there. Yeah, but she fixed that there. And then I also motioned to delay discovery and scheduling just for myself there, and then also mentioned that once I'm returning, you're going to be gone until I said the 10th, just to give us another day. I'm sure they won't schedule anything before then, but yeah, we'll get this get this handled there, Raffy.
I think it's blooming events without the S and the bloomings. I think that shouldn't matter too much.
Wait, what did I say?
We're gonna do a clap.
You said bloomings like plural, but I think it's just blooming. Let me see.
Good people pumped. People like clapping and snapping.
Oh. Yeah, I'm sure we'll be fine.
Yeah.
I mean, I can correct that later. And yeah.
Yeah, there's no S in blooming.
Let's see.
I just saw her logo that she sent me, and that's the last text or attempt she tried to reach out to me after. She hasn't reached out to me since.
Yeah, no, that's fair. Yeah, I just wasn't sure there was any other tangible evidence there. I didn't add sneak in them, but like we can maybe add them later. Because like you said, that was like it was because like there was a court case going on. Like they weren't witness to, or like did you discuss with them anything?
No, I just wanted to verify the date that it happened, and like there was other stuff that was happening while I went out back to the meeting, because there were people in that court case, so they could be witnesses of the court case happening, and then like they could be witnesses of me like leaving that court case, I guess. And then that's pretty much it. They wouldn't be witnesses for me of being in that meeting though.
Yeah, I mean, well, I guess had you discussed with them prior? Do they have prior knowledge of like all the stuff going on, or?
I think just Violet kind of does, but Sneaky can confirm that the court case was his, I guess.
Yeah, no, I'm not worried about the court case thing there, because what I'm more so trying to make sure we have are people, especially if you have any other staff. If you have any other staff or anybody that can confirm, like, your discussions with them on this.
Violet was the chief operating officer, COO, and I said that we should bring Violet to the meeting, and then Arya said that she didn't need to be in the meeting, which was confusing. And then Violet was at the court case too, so I think Violet saw me leave there.
Okay, I guess even more so, like, it doesn't even need to be just the court case. Just anyone else that's in the company that also knows of this kind of stuff or whatnot. So
I should know that Arya was supposed to be the CEO, not the owner.
Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. So again, like, I'm gonna try to look through some financial stuff and figure out. I mean, yeah, like I said, like, if you're able to get that financial information. I'm sorry about that. If we're able to get that.
Budget forms, I think.
Well, oh, actually, wait, did I forget to include that? Oh, I did. I'll make sure to add that later.
Okay. And there's 3 other ones at the end that I added. Those are the unplanned events that I was supposed to have, but because I'm stuck in this position, I couldn't really finalize those reports yet. I don't want her seeing that.
Okay.
Yeah, I was supposed to have an event with the casino, and also a mechanic event where I'll have drivers do like cool jumps and stuff, and then mechanics could work like NASCAR pit repair crews, and then they'll just repair the cars on the spot. For my event ideas.
Oh, nice.
And then
I get it. We're, I guess, but that's not. Well, I guess. Well, that might be pertinent to
email chain and just
that preventing you from being able to act further. Okay, yeah. Make sure to write all these things down there, just because I want to make sure that we in the court I'm gonna ask you on those things and just
Okay.
get further details.
But yeah, you're.
That's gonna be the thing we're gonna fight for. I think we got a slam dunk case on the other regards there. And then yeah, we'll take it as it goes here. Okay, there, Raffy.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Your chorus.
Okay, okay, all right. I gotta jet real quick. I gotta.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get ready to pack and everything there. Oh, jeez, it's gonna be wild.
Yeah. I mean, I'll be gone from the 6th to the 9th too, so I'll be back on the 10th.
Ooh, okay, groovy. Okay, all right. Okay, well,
Yeah. And then
looking forward to get you some justice there, Raffy.
I appreciate it.
The events are gonna be back, and they're gonna be bigger than ever.
Oh, nice. Maybe even part of the court case it could be your what's it called, retainer?
Talk to Aries about it.
Yeah. Oh, actually, you don't need this now, but if you're able to find out if you know who from the mayor's office approved your stuff.
All right.
I'm pretty sure it was Denzel. I just didn't have contact with him. I know most of his board is unfortunately.
You're very welcome.
There's a couple people scattered from her gang that's in his board.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So that makes it difficult.
Oh, oh, sorry about that.
Good.
We were chit-chatting about some stuff here.
Oh no, you don't need to apologize. It's fine. All good. We're done.
Ooh, nice.
You
You got the beat already?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll send it out and it'll be good.
Hell yeah.
Oh, nice.
I go.
I'm at the
Is
studio.
she outside or is she upstairs?
Who are you looking for?
Oh, mine right here.
Yeah, she's right there.
Okay.
Oh, you got a purple car too, mine?
This is Aries's.
Oh.
Yeah. Fuck the
Alrighty.
purple.
Well, I'll
For
catch you
now.
guys
No offense,
later
Dad.
there.
Enjoy your vacation,
Bye,
Paul.
Paul.
Well, Joe. All right. Yeah, let me know if you need any other rhymes or beats there. Like
Any other fills or
ain't no drama with this hot new baby baba.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's
all that
pretty
kind
off
of
the
stuff.
top.
So
Yeah.
Honestly, hold on. Record that. Add that in
So,
there somewhere.
we gotta go back in the studio.
Yeah.
She's gonna get you some lines though, Paul, that she's gonna need some ad libs on her track once she gets the lyrics down.
Ooh, okay,
You know, like
all
things
right.
Like, true that. Yeah, I'm her hype man. Stuff like that in the background. Yeah, always
Ooh.
good. Wrath, you can get a night.
Oh, heck yeah. All right. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, and if she needs help writing, you boys are here for her, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Please.
Oh yeah. You better believe it.
And I'll get Jimmy to. All
right, catch you guys the next one. I got a jet, chat. Got a Jetaruski, and then yeah, I'll be gone for a week here, chat. Hope y'all have a good week. Oh man, I'm not going to react to the latest editions. Okie dokie, chat. Okie dokie. Boom, chicka. Okay. We're just gonna go right to the ending thing. All right. Catch y'all in the next one. Love, peace, and chicken grease.